Morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I think we're live. Let me get set up on TikTok if they haven't banned me. Wrong thing. Let's go over here. There we go. All right. Live on TikTok. I think I'm live on YouTube. Hold on a second. Maybe not. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, we are live. Let me get this all set up on YouTube. Nice. And we need to get to Atlanta, soon to be St. Thomas, baby. Woo! Lord willing, up to God, but spending a week in St. Thomas coming up. Touchdown, US 30 to the 1 minute blue line. If you're not signed up for my email service, I strongly recommend it. I sent out a 15-second, 30-second, and 1 minute buy stop for all three indices. All three indices have hit it. This is when I sent out my email, this line right here for US 30. You would have made free pips from me to you. You would have made 175 pips on US 30 this morning from the Uno reverse trade that I am teaching you right now. Crazy shit. It is what I call crazy shit. It is what I call crazy. Where is the Uno reverse? Uno reverse overnight. There you go. How to trade 5 seconds. Best trading videos. Got it. All right. This is awesome. What a great, fantastic morning. I did all my therapies first. Woo! Yay. All right. I think I am live on TikTok. Yep. Live on YouTube. Yep. Called out a free trade for everybody in case I'm not speaking clearly. 175 pips for US 30. All you have to do is go over to my signal, to my store, safetrade.com. Get your email alerts right here. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Okay. The signal went out here. 175 pips on US 30 you would have made from the time I sent my email out. Now, you also would have made money on NAS. I called out NAS the exact same time. Where's my line? No. Here's my line. Why is my line not there? Hold on. Is SPX not there too? Fuck this shit. No, I'm taking. There you go. So on NAS, you would have made from here to here, you'd have made 127. So you'd have made 300 pips on US 30 and NAS. If you don't know what a pip is, learn how to trade. You would have made 330 pips this morning before market open on free signals from me to you because I'm a kind-hearted person. It's called the Uno reversal, overnight reversal. Simplest trade in the world. We have a system for it. I'll teach you it all morning long using the sniper rifle and the sniper and, of course, my raw system. And this is the greatest system in the world. 1 second, 5 second trades will be showing you. I'll show you how to do all this, how I was able to call this with such accuracy that you can make over 300 pips on the indices before market open. Never, ever, ever in the history of trading has anyone ever done what I'm doing. I give God all the glory, but understand that the system is flawless. Understand and accept it. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Yeah, baby. All right. Good morning, Hayden on TikTok. Good morning, Larry Cooper. What's up, Larry? What's up, Hayden? What's up, Susie Pips? Your name is Pips. I bet you know what a pip is, don't you? Bet you wish you would have made 330 of them this morning if you had my system, don't you, Susie? Good morning, Christian Cantu. Good morning, Taraya Edwards. Good morning, Argenis Luna. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, Ruben Lopez. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? Good morning, John Parker again. Good morning, Harry. Harry, do you understand what the overnight Uno reversal trade is? Yes or no, Harry? Because if he does, he needs to start announcing it and telling us when it's going to flip, because I can only watch so many things at once. Harry's got his eyes on this shit. He knows what he's doing. Da, 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 da. I feel so good. Did all my therapies, red light therapy, hanging upside down, mini tramp, lifted weights, doing my cardio, did my ice cold plunge with my face, drinking my hydrogen water, took my supplements to raise my serotonin levels. Oh, yeah, baby. Is life perfect? Hell no. Can I focus on all the problems I have in my life? Yep. Am I going to? Nope. I do everything I can to help those problems. And then I just do, there it goes again, by the way. Buy stops and keep going up. SPX and NAS and US 30. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. You can focus on the good in your life, or you can focus on the bad. You can be grateful for the things in your life, or you could be ungrateful. Boom, baby. I choose to be grateful for the things in my life. And I treat the people I love with honor and respect. Da, da. God bless every one of you listening. We're already making money, over 300 pips already, 330 to be exact. Those lines that you see on my chart are the call-ins for my trades that I sent out through an email this morning. Let's, hello. Let's show you the, it's what you guys got to sign up for. Sign up for my email service. It's free. I send out free signals all the time. You've made over 330 pips and growing. It's still a buy stop. They're still happening. It's still going up. 3-minute blue line will be the next call out. Buy stop towards US 33-minute blue line, towards NAS blue line. Oh, it's already there. Towards SPX 3-minute blue line. Oh, this is the easiest money. Buy stop SPX to the 3-minute blue line. Okay, we'll just sit here and wait. Should have got into that a while ago. I hope it pulls back a little so I can get some more of it. Good morning to everyone. God bless you all. Buy stop SPX to the 3-minute blue line. Buy stop SPX demo trade only. US 30 to the blue line. Remember, folks, demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Buy stop, buy stop. Do 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 do.
One of these things is
Not
not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other before we finish our song? See, all that green and only one red? That's a buy stop for the safety trade system.
Let's hear that beautiful voice again.
One of these things is not like the
Green,
other.
green, green, red.
One of these things just
Green, green,
doesn't
green.
belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other before we
Gee,
finish
guys.
our song? See, all that green and only one red? That's a buy stop for the safety trade system.
Over and over and over again. So simple that a child could understand it.
One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other before we finish our song?
What do you guys see? Do you see green?
See, all that green and only one red? That's a buy stop for the safety trade system.
But yet you all complicate it. But yet you all make things harder than it has to be. And then you complain and whine and bitch. I don't understand. Buy, stop, fit 10 seconds is forming. It's going to hook, come down. This gap will fill in. The green will come up and touch the yellow. This price action will go down a little bit further. Then it'll go up past the orange. Then it'll go up past this orange right here and this green right here. That's what's going to do. And then so I don't understand. I'm going to take away your fucking excuses on how you can't make consistent profits. I'm going to teach you how to trade. And Lord willing, we'll see this turn red here. Yep, there you go. Green, 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 red. Buy, stop. 10-second fucking NAS. Take profit 1 at this orange line. Take profit 2 at the top of this. God, where's the take profits at? I don't understand. Jesus, watch some videos. Put some fucking effort into your fucking lives for once and make effort and you'll get some fucking results. Go over to my YouTube channel and watch the training fucking videos. Best training ever. There's a whole playlist. XRP, must rewatch. 4 wins, 0 losses. Star training, rewatch. Let's try again for the 3rd time. Bitcoin will go up. Watch them over and over and over again. Watch these training videos over and over and over again. Watch the training video I'm about to do today over and over and over again. Buy, stop, take profit 1, 19,584 for NAS. Take profit 2. Just like yesterday when you heard all these alerts going off and I'm dancing around, this is what's going to happen. SPX. Take profit 1, 5,598. Take profit 2. Keep following SPX down, by the way. If this goes lower and lower, I'm going to jump in myself this morning. This will eventually turn, just so I'm clear, and we'll go over the teachings. This pink will cross. There it is. You're going to see green, green, green. This will turn back to green. This price action will go up past the yellow. It will then go up past the orange. It'll then go up past this top of this one right here. That's what you're about to see. This is 10-second trading. Any other trader in the world would like to come on here and trade with me or against me, feel free. Good luck if you're going to trade without my system on 1 second, 5 second. Good luck on trading any fucking time period without my system. Good fucking luck to you. Now, I've already called it out accurately. All 3 indices to the 1 minute blue line. They have all blown past that. NAS, SPX, and US 30. It's now forming a new buy stop again. The next stop you're going to see is going to be SPX towards this 3-minute blue. This is perfect. Towards this 3-minute blue line. These are your take profits right here. Da 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 da. Then you will look for a sell stop later in the day towards, well, let me tell you, towards the SPX. Well, it's 7-hour blue line. It did it yesterday. I called this correctly. And then it will do it again. It's going to go up temporarily, then hook and come back down. 5,575 take profit on a sell, 7-hour later today. NAS, take profit 1. Really? NAS, sell stop later today, 12-hour sell stop. Take profit 1, 19,139. 18,716, 18,062. US 30. Buy stop to the 3-minute blue line. Later today, sell stop 40,981. Take profit 2, 39,860. Take profit 3, 39,000. If you don't like playing these time periods, good. Go up here and play where the big boys play. Go up to the daily. Buy stop US 30. Take profit 1, 42,000. This is a weekly daily buy. 42,000, whatever the fuck that was. Next take profit, 43,418 for US 30. Next take profit, 44,734. I don't know if that, hold on. There you go. And that is US 30.
Demo trade only.
NAS.
I am not a financial advisor.
Take any buy stop you can find on NAS till SPX's 3-minute blue line is hit. NAS, 7-hour buy sell stop to the blue line, 12-hour to the blue line. Take profit 1 on the daily buy. I prefer the daily buys. Whatever the hell that number was. Take profit 2, 20,659. Take profit 3, and I love this take profit 3. 21,732. That's NAS.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
SPX. Buy stop towards the 3-minute blue line. Play any buy stop you can find on SPX towards the 3-minute blue line. Sell stop to the 7-hour blue line, SPX. I prefer and love the buy stops, daily, weekly. 5,707, take profit 1. Take profit 2, 5,847. Take profit 3, and I love this take profit, 6,085. Love the trade, and that is SPX.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Do 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 do. My gold trades are kicking fucking ass. We're going to put in some little buys right here. All right. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube and Facebook and X. Good morning, Fletch. Thank you, John. So you do know what it is, Harry. Can you please tell me when you see it? Good morning, Larry Cooper. You're welcome. Good morning, Fletch. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, Harry again. Good morning, Big. What's up, Big? Good morning. Harry again and John Parker. Okay, so we got it. Yeah. All right. So you guys understand that. Good morning, Bob. What's up, Bob Ooten? Good morning, Bob. Good morning, Persistent. What's up, Persistent? Good morning. I need people to head over from YouTube to TikTok this morning. That's not a request. I'll give you guys till about 8, and then I'm going to close down YouTube, and it's only going to be TikTok. I need people to go, just put your fucking on your phone and don't look at it. That would be very helpful to me, and it doesn't cost you guys anything. So go ahead and do that now, please. Buy on all three indices, short term to SPX's 3-minute blue line, medium term sell stops in all three indices, just like yesterday. And then long term daily, weekly buys, which I love. You're in profit on those SPX buys. It was just called. I know because I'm in those trades. Da 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 da. Dee dot do da da dee. Woo! Who loves trading? Who loves life? Good morning, Saw. Good morning, Tony Villalobos. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Erica. Good morning, Bob Uten and Persistent again. Thumbs up and buy the system. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Larry, for being on TikTok and YouTube. Again, I'll give you guys some warnings as the morning goes on, but I'm telling you, by 8 o'clock, if I don't see a good number of you on TikTok, I'll be closing down YouTube, just so we're clear. I don't want people to say, I wasn't warned. I didn't know. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. All right. Thank you, Sog, for being on both. Aussie Trader, thank you for being on both. That's your other name? Hagen Dalmatians. Sorry, I slaughtered your name. All right. Let's go through some more call outs. That is what's going to happen to US 30 NAS and SPX. That includes any futures that you have for SPY, blah, 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 E-minis, blah, blah. They're all the same. I already called them out for you. So all you funded traders out there should tune into me every fucking morning. You would have had zero drawdown if you'd have listened to me. Buy stop. SPX, this is my call. You had had zero drawdown and made over 330 pips on 3 indices, including SPY, with zero drawdown. So instead of whining, you funded trader people, log in, watch me on my YouTube lives when I do go live in the mornings, and I'll make these call outs 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 3 with no drawdown and hundreds of pips. So until I make the funded trader safety trade system, which is coming, by the way, just had a little delay here, but it's coming. And I don't want to hear any of your fucking whining when there's zero drawdown and you make thousands of pips in a morning. Fucking crying out loud. Thank you, John, for speaking up. You're in the money on all. There you go, baby. There's the NAS. Woo! There's our first little up. There's our money. Listen to it. Yeah, baby. Woo! Here comes our little alarm. You're in the money. You're in the money on all NAS, all SPX buys. You're in the money. Boom, baby. Yet again. Already called out hundreds and hundreds of pips for each and every one of you. Free every morning. What do I ask for in return for this? Maybe support somebody who's giving you free fucking call outs every fucking day, making you money. How about that? And then maybe you can give a thumbs up if you can manage it in your busy little schedules. The fuck out of here. I swear to God. All NAS, all SPX buy stops are in profit. You can close them down or leave them open, demo only. Da 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 da. Woo! Yeah, baby. Can you tell I'm in a mood? Who? Da, da. Yeah. Nah. Yeah, baby. All right. Now, that was NAS, US 30, and SPX. We'll get back to them. Don't worry. Gold. My gold is up ungodly amounts. So I don't know what happened here recently, but even my small gold trade told you this is what happened. I told you, and used this as a live teaching example the other day. I told you the purple was going to come down, pink was going to cross it. I'm telling you right now, you will see gold go up and touch this yellow line and go above it. The green, not gold, the green histogram bars will go up and cross it. I told you this was going to go past the center line. I told you it was going to go past here. Take profit 1 was hit. That's the center. Take profit 2 was hit right here. Over and over and over again. I keep telling you where this shit's going. This is our logo. It came up, came over, formed our logo. This is called a logo buy stop. I'm not going to teach you that. It's too confusing to 99% of you, but it just happens. And it's happening right now, and it did happen. Take any buy stop. I told you where gold was going. I told you it was crossing over 3,000, and it will. What's up, Big? Thank you for the thumbs up and subscribe and buy the system. Don't forget to add that. Da 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 da. Yeah, baby. So gold. You only do buys on gold. That's all you do. You do nothing else on gold but buys. Buy, 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 buy. It's better than the fucking Backstreet Boys who does buy, buy, buy. Gold. I have to go do a little sprint real quick. Gold is a 10 second sell stop to the blue line. 10 second sell stop to the blind. It's going to go down and well, it already is. Touch this blue line. You're going to see it go down and touch this 15-second blue line. But we don't trade the sells on gold. You can if you want. But my sniper rifle, working with the sniper, see it go down right before your very eyes, from my mouth to God's ears to your wallets. I really need to get that trademark, don't I? And then it's going to come down, hook, come down, touch that. Well, in the meantime, we don't play these sells. Why don't we play the sells? Because all these upper time frames up here are green. That means we go with the flow. In your old terminology, which I hate to fucking use, but with your old terminology, I forgot I changed the name. You go with the flow. The river's going up on the higher time frames, the 6 month, the monthly, the weekly. It's going up. So the play on the down, you don't do. The short-term plays on the down. If 8-year-olds and 12-year-olds can understand this, LDs, children, grandchildren, you the fuck as grown-ups can understand this shit. You don't play a fucking sell when things are in a buy. And yet I still had one of our members say, oh, well, why do I play the sell to the gold? You fucking don't. You play the buys on gold. You play the buys on SPX and NAS and US 30. 7s if I'm clear on that. That needs to be trademarked, says Justin. Hope I'm clear. Da 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 da. Oh, it makes me wonder what's happening. Maybe I should check her. All right. Buy stops, NAS and SPX and US 30 to the 3-minute blue line of SPX. Hope I'm clear on that. Da, 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 da. Yeah, baby. What's up, Kimberly Pretty and Fletch? Good to see you guys on TikTok. Da, 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 da. And that's my 30 minutes on cardio, but I'll get back to that. All right, peeps, I'll be right back in just a minute.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Now, here we go. All right. Let's use gold as our example this morning. Get the fuck out of here with your pile of shit advertising. All right. Telling you, buy stop on NAS US 30 SPX to SPX is 3-minute blue line. All right. Anybody have any questions? I'm going to call out Bitcoin next. I'm going to do this quickly. Has my system called out Bitcoin correctly? Yeah, if you consider buying Bitcoin at 27,000, 66,000, 31,000, and 65,000 correctly, I'd say yes, it has. What's going on with Bitcoin? All you need is my sniper and sniper rifle, and you can figure things out really quickly. Something's happening here. Let's see. Bitcoin, buy stop to the 15-minute blue line. Take profit 1, 84,853. Take profit 2, 86,000. Bitcoin, buy stop to the 30-minute blue line, 89,000. Bitcoin, buy stop to the 1-hour blue line, 92,000. Let's see what's happening. 2-hour, 3-hour, 2-hour sell. 2-hour sell to where? 2-hour sell to the 7-hour, 2-hour sell to the 4-hour. Yep. Just 2-hour sell 4-hour. Sell stop Bitcoin 4-hour. Take profit 1, 81,400. Take profit 2, 77,000. Take profit 3, 74,000. I do believe someone called this out days, if not weeks ago. I remember this specifically. Yep, I do remember this. And that is Bitcoin. You don't play the sells on Bitcoin. Why? Why don't we play the fucking sells on Bitcoin, Kev? Because it's a daily, weekly buy stop. That's why. 6-month, monthly, weekly, daily flows controls the lower time frames. Why would you go against, and I'll put it in your stupid ass fucking old outdated terms, why would you go against the trend? The flow of the river is up. You don't want to play the sells on Bitcoin. You want to look for the fucking buys. Take profit 1 Bitcoin, 87,968. Take profit 2 Bitcoin, 90,000. Take profit 3 Bitcoin, 95,000. I love I can't do it because the damn line's there. Why do I have this line there? Hold on. What is this fucking line doing? It's just interfering. The line goes. Probably for teaching purposes or something. I had that line there. Let's get rid of that shit thing. Yeah, I don't care. Get the fuck out of here. It was used as an alert. Take profit that's supposed to be there. 97,400. Love this take profit. Bitcoin will go back to 110,000 as I called before. And then it's going to go up to 120,000. That's what Bitcoin's going to do. Hope I'm clear on that. Next, you're in the money on all SPX trades. All SPX trades are in the money. All buy stop SPX trades are in the money. How do I know? Because I'm in those trades. Yay. You're welcome. Now, that's Bitcoin. XRP is going to be the exact same thing, but some of you are so slow, you just don't understand anything I speak. Please understand what I'm saying. Has my system called out XRP? Yeah, if you wanted to get in at 47 cents, 52 cents, and 59 cents. Yeah, my system has called out XRP flawlessly without one error. That, oh, you can't say that. Yeah, I can. There it is. You see any fucking red, then there's no losses there on XRP. Look over here. Blop, 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 blop. Something's happening here between these. Can you guys see colors or a down arrow? If you can't see red, you can tell this arrow's down and this arrow's up. So let's take a look between the fucking 1 hour and the 4 hour. 2 hour sell stop. 2 hour sell stop XRP to the 3 hour blue line. Take profit 1, $2.12. I'm not going to take any of those because all the higher time frames are buys. So we're going to come up here and see, oh, it's a daily buy. It's a daily, weekly buy. This is what I'm going to look for. And what am I going to take? Take profit one, $2.48. I love this take profit. XRP to $2.48 is fantastic. XRP to $3. XRP to $3.62. Yeah, those are all great take profits for XRP.
Demo trade only.
Kevin's
I am
fired up.
not
Yes,
a
I am. I'm
financial
glad
advisor.
Aussie Trader caught it. Yes, I am fired up. All fucking XPXs are in the money again. All SPXs are in the money again for like the 5th time this morning. Listen up, folks. Learn. XLM. Has my system called out XLM? Gee, I don't know. If you wanted to get in at 14 cents and 33 cents, I'm pretty sure a 14 cents buy-in from my signal service at 14 cents for XLM would have kicked fucking ass. Gee, I don't know. 14 cents and it went up to 62. You'd have made 500% on your money if you had my system. Get the fucking system now. Crossing, SPX crossing. All in profit. All, as I told you, taking profit, taking profit, taking profit, taking profit, taking profit, taking profit, and I'm leaving all these other SPXs open. Those are all in profit, all from this morning, all in profit. Listen to the cha-chings. Look at it go. I'm going to close down a couple more. There you go. There you go. Matter of fact, I'm going to close down another one. There you go. Take that money in, run, folks. Told you. Told you. You want to make money consistently? Just come on here and gleam. Steal my call outs and then buy my system. I told you what SPX was going to do before I did it. How many fucking trades did I just have open? 20 of them? 10 of them? Come the fuck on. Would you guys start listening to what I'm teaching you? Did everyone see this? Yes, you saw me just close down 5 or 6 or 7 trades, live trading with you. Hello, 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 hello. Come on, folks. What the fuck? Oh, somehow I had a loss in there, $227. Well, that's fucked up. I just closed down 5 or 6 or 7 trades, all in profit. So $35 on easy money, not even 630. Yep, correct. Thank you, John Park. Okay. Anybody else? 31 people here, and there's only one person to speak up. Okay, that's a way for me to close down this feed in half a second. I told you where everything was going. I want some thank gods. I will be getting a system. Smart idea, Big. Welcome aboard. Black intelligent gentleman. Look at this shit. Only 2 people speaking up out of 30. You know, I'm going to leave. You guys have like 5 seconds before I fucking close down this feed on YouTube. I'm heading over to TikTok. And I wanted to do teaching this morning. I wanted to train you all this morning. Good morning, Miami Rocks. But because you guys can't even fucking give credit to where credit is due, I'm going to have to go. Really? God dang it. Fuck. I wanted to do training this morning. Fuck. You guys can't even fucking hit a thumbs up button. You can't even fucking speak up when I ask you to. Just got here, bro. Good, Miami. What's up, Miami Rocks? Thank God. You don't have to thank me. Thank God. God gets credit for the system. Remember that. God gets all the glory. Thank me if you want. Thank the system. Thank God. I don't care who, what, where. But you guys need to be thankful. This is crazy. I'm fucking trading with you, telling you what to do. I'm writing out emails to you guys, sending them out fucking back here. You guys had all this time to make this money. Whatever. Should I stay or should I go? Should I stay or did I go? I'm not getting it yet. Good morning, Precious. Good morning, Precious. Yay. Excited for you, baby. Good morning, Precious. Good morning, beautiful. Who's the most beautiful woman in the whole wide world? Is my precious, and she really, really knows it. Well, kind of. She really doesn't appreciate how beautiful she is. Just made more money in 15 minutes than I did at work for 6. There you go. That's exactly what I want to hear from you guys. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. I guess I'll stay on YouTube. Let me go ahead and take care of some business, though. To defeat the Huns, let's take care of business. To defeat the Huns. You're a sorry group. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Let's get down to business. To defeat the Huns. I got to do some stuff here. Copyright match. I'll have to check it out. Good morning, Techman. Having a great freaking morning this morning. Kicking fucking ass. Let me see about this. All right. Give me just a second, fellas, ladies and gentlemen.
Demo trade only.
We've been making we're up over 350 pips on NAS and SPX and US 30 this morning already. It's a current buy stop. Anyone can take this buy stop. SPX to the 3-minute blue line. That is a NAS, SPX, and US 30. Take any buy stops you can find until SPX hits this 3-minute blue line. Just like yesterday, by the way. Just like fucking yesterday. To defeat the who? The Huns. Let's get down to business. To defeat. Today is evidently the 12th. That didn't work out. Let's see over here. 12/25, because today's the 13th, but payroll's the day before. And let's see what our numbers are. Oh, almost the same as last week. 677. Let's get down to business. Pardon me while I finish this up. 12. 45. Basil 450. Let's take out this note. Let's take out this note. And it's the craziest I've ever seen. Da da da. Da da da. Out of you. Let's get down to business. To defeat the honey ones. I love the stool feature. Good morning, beautiful. Hi, precious. There is payroll for you. Hope that looks right, and then I'll send it. Love you.
Good morning, beautiful.
Da-da, da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I'll make a
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
out of you. All right. Buy stop. SPX to the 3-minute blue line. That goes for NAS and US 30 also. Let's get back to business now, peeps. And I'll send this over when she says the word. All right. 15-second NAS buy stop. Thank you, Justin. No, you didn't, Techman. You have plenty of time to get it, Techman. Plenty of time to make money right here. Plenty. Every one of you has plenty of time to make money on this trade. We've called out US 30, NAS, and SPX so successfully, over 350 pips up on all three total. We've called out gold. We've called out Bitcoin. I've told you exactly where XRP and XLM are going. Next up is J&J. GJ&J. I wonder what we're doing. Let's take a look, shall we? J&J, sell. Okay, first of all, my system has called out J&J flawlessly through its signal service. Never one miss on a closed trade, never one miss on the open trade. If it was a miss, it'd be red. You only see green. That means it won every fucking time. You come over to here, you see the 5 minute, 10 minute in between, right? So we go over the 10 minutes, already hit it. Let's go to the 15. Sell stop to the 15-minute blue line, $162.45 at J&J. Sell stop to the 30-minute blue line, $159. But we don't play these sells. We only play the buys. We only play the buys because these higher time frames of 3 months and 6 months, just like the children over here. You guys sick of me saying this yet? Then fucking learn. Just like the 8-year-old and 12-year-olds learning that you go with the flow, what you guys used to call trend. But you go with the flow, it goes up. Why would you trade against the flow of the river? You're going to be an idiot. You're going to drown. Don't do that. Only take the buys. So right here, we're looking for a buy. I see a 4-hour buy. Okay, baby. Da, da, da. All right. We got PPI and unemployment at 8:30. Ah, geez. We have to buy again. I mean, we have to trade that again. Let me make sure my alerts are set. I just kicked ass yesterday on the fucking CPI or whatever it was. 820, 825. We'll do a 920, 929, 830. All right, got it. Thank you for that news. Who was that? Techman. Thank you, Techman, for the news information, just so I can trade it and warn you guys not to. J&J. So we're only looking for buys. What do I see? A 4-hour buy. That looks really good. I love this 4-hour buy. To where? Buy stop. To where? To where? To where? Weekly, daily. Da, da, da. Well, we can't get anywhere, but I can tell you this. We know what our take profits are, J&J. You should have got in at $141 when I told you to. It's almost a little late for J&J at this point, to be honest with you. It almost is. I mean, take profit 175 J&J, take profit 185 JJ.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Let me go back over to here now. Let me go over to here. Let me go over to here. Give me the second uploading payroll. Da, da, da. All right. Now, That is payroll done. Sweet. Got that out of the freaking way. All right. Where are we at? Big said, oh, no, that's all right. No, Big. Thank you for the money, but please don't save your money, Big. That's good. I mean, I appreciate that. Good morning, Larry Cooper. But you could, please, Big, just buy the system, support it that way. But that is very nice of you, very sweet. Thank you, Big. But yes, I will look at ERUSD and anything else you have. I do that free of charge, though. Just say when you guys, I've gotten gifts hundreds of dollars from people and stuff. That's all nice, and I appreciate that. But I'd rather you just save your money and buy the system. That's all. But thank you, Big. That was very nice of you. Da 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 da. Let's get down to drinking some smart water because I don't have my real clear water next to me. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Big. All right, let's take an in-depth look at ERUSD. Good morning, Kimberly Pretty, DDY. Good morning, Aussie Trader and Larry Cooper on TikTok. Thank you all for being over there in Miami Rocks. And thank everyone for being on thing. I'm telling you, by the way, let me go to ERUSD. Let me do ERUSD. Has my system called out ERUSD correctly in the past with the signal service? Every trade ever. This is the only system in the world where every trade ever is tracked. And you can see they're all green in the close. That means profit. Green means profitable. Okay. My system is looking weird. That's a sell. Let me see if it's going down here. You see the difference between the up arrow and the down arrow? That means there's something happening between those two. Let's see what's happening. My system is the only system that tells you what direction things are going. Sure looks like that's a sell. 3-minute sell. Okay, play any sell stop to ERUSD $1, 1.08676. Take profit 1. Take profit 2, 1.08638. So that is a 3-minute, 5-minute sell. Then I come up here, I see the green and the, I don't understand. There's actually been people cancel the sniper rifle. And I think that is the silliest, other than canceling the sniper, is the stupidest decision. I'm going to be clear on that one. That is a stupid decision. Look at what it tells you. It's telling you where to trade. This is insane. So 4 hours above, yay. 7 hour is below. 4 hours, 7 hour, 12 hour. Aha. Daily. We have a daily buy stop to the blue line. Take profit of 1.09285. Let's see the weekly. It's a sell. 3 weekly. Sell. Monthly. Sell. 3 monthly. Sell. 6 monthly. Wow. All right. Let's go over to here. If you're going to want to do this, I prefer you not to do a sell on this. But if you do 1.05724, but this is a 3-month sell. I don't see it. I see this. You can take the sells if you want. But in this particular case on EURUSD, which is the most traded currency pair in the world in a $7.2 trillion business, it's the biggest trading symbol in the world. And nothing comes close. Nothing comes close. EURUSD is monstrously huge, just monstrously huge. Ah, boy. So what? So where is this going, as you're asking? Take profit 1 on the buy, 1.11955. Take profit 2 on the buy, 1.14842. Take profit 3, and I love this take profit 3, 1.20521. And I love that take profit on EURUSD. I hope that helps you. If you want any more specific, I can give you that big, but hopefully that helps you out. Good morning, Kimberly. All right, so that's EURUSD. We've called out US 30 NAT. Oh, and you're in the money on your SPX 3-minute buys. Let's see how it's looking. as I told you and traded with you, as I called out back here, and look at it go now. I've closed down so many of these trades, like 6 of them went back to back. These are my current 2 I still have open on SPX. Hold on, let me make sure you can see everything. Sorry. There's my times in right here. There's my times in, 13:30 the day and the time. And then there's my current money. That's my gold trades. Look at this. This gold trade's been going up and down, and pop. We got to get to gold so I can show you how great those trades are. And there you go. And those are my trades. Let's get down to NAS in the money. Oh, yeah, NAS in the money. SPX and NAS in US 30 all trade the same. Once in a while, you get one to flare off. They all do. See that? There's NAS going up too. Here's US 30. They're all doing the exact same things. This is also another very interesting one. US 30 to the 3-minute. I'm going to do something I don't normally do, which is trade US 30. I'm going to put in my little buy. We're about fucking 300 pips too late, I might add. But why not? Let's see what happens. Da-da-da. Da-da. It's the darndest thing that I ever did choose. I'll make a man out of you. Let's get down to business. Okay. Oh, good morning, Larry. NAS in the money. Yes, Justin, it is. And so is US 30 and SPX. All right. Let's finish up some call outs here. Uh-oh. Hold on. I'll be right back. Give me just a second.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. I'm back. Damn, I need time to do my training too. I'm going to have to cut these calls short. All right. All right. So let's take a look. We're going to do the NAS overnight reversal trade. We're going to need, let's see, are these the ones where I can do separate? Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. To defeat the Huns. It's a sorry group that you ever did see. Let's see. I'm going to get my chart set up for you guys. Hydra safety trade. Let's go back over here. Let's go over here. What's up, Tuxie? Yeah, little buddy. No. Let's see. Oh. Hold on. Oh, I know. Might be because we have the canvas changed. Mm-hmm. 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 Well, this is going to be a bitch then if I can't get this over here. Mm-hmm. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. Let's get down to business. Buy stop again, SPX. Take a buy stop on SPX to the 3-minute blue line along with US 30 and NAS. Buy stop as I'm trying to get this thing set up. Jesus. TradingView sucks so bad. I'm sorry, but it's a horror show of dooms. All right. Let's try this again. MetaTrader 4 was and is still the superior system than TradingView. Sorry, but it is. Da-da-da, da-da, da. I'll make a man out of you. I'll make a man. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with it either, so that doesn't help, but no, didn't want that after all. There we go. Let me just see what this looks like right here. Oh my God. Yeah, these are all set. Out of you. Well, it's going to be a lot harder to show you what I want to show you without that, but we're going to have to work with it. Some of you are probably screaming, you could just do this. All right. Buy stop SPX, by the way. What's up, Miss Regina? Good morning, Miss Regina. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Lordy, 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 all of them. All right, I'm about to go over the Uno reverse trade. Let's set this up so we can get it a little bit better. We're currently in a trade, by the way. Da, 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 da. All right. So this is what you're looking at. We're going to go all the way back to 5 seconds. This is a NAS currently, buy stop, by the way. This is NAS. And then we're going to make this 5 second US 30. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And this is 5 second. Now, this is what you guys are going to see. Yesterday, everything, I'm teaching you a very, very extremely safe trade, much like I did yesterday. Oh, let's get that a little bit smaller. All right. So yesterday, towards the end of the day, everything started to fall a little bit overnight. It was doing rough. It was going down. Okay. And then what did we see? So this is all red. Every one of my sniper rifle, this is what this is doing. The sniper rifle right here, that's the name. The sniper rifle right here. This is going to show you whether price action is above or below this blue line. This blue line is just a line. It's an EMA. I call it the bullseye blue line, but actually it's just a line. So what you're seeing here is the blue line. Is price action above it or below it? When it's red, that means it's below it. Okay. So my system is set up to trade towards this blue line to let you know it's above or below. See, all these are below, then the daily is above. Okay. So if you're all with me on this, then type out the number 7, please. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook Live, X Live, and Twitch Live, and YouTube Live. 7s, if you understand that the sniper rifle is telling us if anything is above or below. What time is it, by the way? Almost 1 hour in. Yeah, 1 hour in. So what you're looking at is when you see these red, that means price action is below the blue line. And then when it's above, that means price action is above. Okay. So persistence is 7s. Fletch says 7s. Okay. So with that in mind, there's an overnight reversal trade. Okay. The overnight reversal trade means that if it goes up all day, then it will reverse and go down. But if it went down all day, then it will reverse and go up. And that's all it means. So by Uno, the Uno reversal card, it reverses things in Uno. You guys get the analogy? So all we're going to do then is we wait for these to switch. Matter of fact, I'm going to go back to my current chart so you guys can see this. So what does this mean? Watch. I was able to call out. No, we're not going to be able to do that, are we? Hold on, we'll do it this way then. I was able to call out right where this line was right here and send out an email to each and every one of you. Over 2,000 people, well over 2,000. By the time you do my thing, that's 3. Oh, I think we're near 5,000 or something, 4,000 or 5,000 people. Get the email where I said this was a buy stop here. This is a buy stop here for US 30. It was at the same time a buy stop for NAS. And it's still a buy stop. Matter of factly, I might get back in again. Hell fucking yeah. SPX buy stop. Place it wherever you want, but hold on, let me get over here real quick. All right, and let's just see what happens. All right, now, there we go. Here are some take profits. We'll do those again for us. Take profit 1 is going to be right here at that orange line. Take profit 2 is going to be right at the top of these and halfway between. Take profit 3 will be this blue line right here. If it doesn't go up, great. It doesn't go up. That's fine. We'll see. We'll just be patient. No rush. Entry should be right about here. I would do my entry. Just follow it down. 5,592 demo buy stop.
Demo
Take
trade
profit
only.
1,
I am
5,000.
not a financial advisor.
Take profit 1, 5,598. Take profit 2 is 5,601. Take profit 3, 5,608.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Morning, Filio. All right. Everybody's in the money on that last buy I just told you to do, the buy stop I just told you to do. You're in profit. You're in nice, good profit on that. You can close down the trade. You're welcome. All right. I'm teaching you the Uno reverse overnight trade. Let me go ahead and put that up here for you. Da, 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 da. to defeat the Huns. You're a sorry group that I ever did see. All right, you're in the money on the buy I just told you to do. I am teaching you one of the safest, easiest, did I spell that right? Trades in the world. The Uno reversal overnight trade. Okay. What's up, Tux? I'm teaching it to you right now as we make money on the trade. All right. So what we're looking at is this. If they bring price action up all day, they'll bring it down overnight. If they bring it down all day, they'll reverse it and it'll go up. So it was down for a long period of time. Then it started to reverse and go up, meaning these little arrows flip to green. But right now I'm going to show you how they're all red for hours and hours and hours. Okay. And this is what my sniper rifle, which shows you if things are above or below the blue line on all, it's invaluable. Anyone that cancels this is silliest person on earth. And by silly, I mean, well, you know what I mean. All right. So that's where we're at. One of the safest, easiest trades in the world, the Uno reversal overnight trade. It is so easy. They do this most nights out of the week. I would say 2-3 days to even 4 or 5 days. The last 2 days, they did it like clockwork in the money on the buy again. So what we're seeing then at overnight was, and let me go ahead and write this down so you guys get the idea here. Sorry. This is how it works. US 30, NAS, and SPX all move as one symbol. Period. So what happens to one happens to them all. Okay. So let's go ahead and type out a 7 again if you guys understand that my sniper rifle is telling you if price is below or above the blue line, and that NAS, SPX, and US 30 all move as one, and that I'm teaching you the Uno reversal overnight trade. Please type out 7s if you understand that. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook Live, everywhere. Everywhere I can be, we're live.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. We've already made over 360 pips on my trades this morning, and you're about to make a shit ton more. Let me go ahead and put this in. Okay, we're just going to make that a little movement for us. We'll just put it right above there. This is where I'm looking to go with SPX. Okay. SPX take profit 1, and I love it, is $5,598. Take profit 2, $5,604. Take profit 3 of $5,609. You have time. We're no rush. Let it keep going down. That's perfect for us. We'll just get your buy stop ready to roll. I put your buy in right about here and wait. Demo trade only. All right.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
So let me get this set up again. All right. Now, this is what you're looking at. If they bring price up today all day, then we'll look for a sell-off overnight. If they brought it down for several hours, we're going to look for a buy. So this morning when I got up, I looked at the charts. I saw that this had switched from red to green on all three indices. So the 1 second flipped on SPX, it flipped on NAS when I had gotten up, and it flipped on US 30. Buy NAS, buy US 30, by the way. Okay, US 30 to the 3-minute blue line. You'd have been in from here. You'd have been up over 300 pips on US 30 alone this morning because of this trade I'm teaching you. So the 1 second's flipped. Well, I also noticed at the same time on all three indices that the 5 second had flipped to green. And I also noticed on all three indices that the 10 second had flipped to green. So when I was looking at this, I was noticing, holy shit, there is a lot of green on US 30, on NAS, and on SPX. As I was looking at the charts live, that's what I saw. And I was like, well, this is shockingly good. And I called out a signal alert, 15 and 30-second buy stops to the blue line demo. Okay. So let's refresh this and I'll come over to that. You're in the money on your NAS buys. I just told you to do demo only. You're in the money on the SPX buys. If you'd like to take money out, you're in the money. All right. So let me see if I can pull this over to you safely. I think I can. All right. This is the email that was sent out. Okay. This right here. This right there. You go. Sent out to 1,081 people. I have two separate emails. We have a MailChimp also. 15, 30-second buy. This was sent out 2 hours ago. And I'm teaching you how I got to that thing. Signal alert, 1530 to the blue line, NAS and SPX. Then I sent out another message, another email saying, oh, all hit. Next is to the 1 minute blue line. I'm going live in 15 minutes. So they were all hit. So these emails that I sent out to you guys, I'm teaching you why I took this trade and how I was able to tell you all this and send out the email to thousands and thousands of you comfortably and with confidence. Okay, that's all I'm doing. Okay, where are we? All right. So we're learning one of the safest, definitely the easiest trade in the world. The Uno reverse overnight reversal trade for US 30, NAS, and SPX all move as one symbol. So then when I saw that SPX, NAS, and US 30 were all this 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, all green, right? They were all green. Well, all I did was send out my email saying, buy stop, demo buy stop to the 15-second blue line because it was going to fall next. Because in our rules that we have, safety trades form in order. So let's go to the trading rules for specific. You'll see right here. The order in which safety trades develop are 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second. That's the order they develop. So we saw on my sniper rifle, right? We saw on the sniper rifle 1 second, 5 second, 10 second flip for SPX, NAS, and US 30. So I knew the next one to fall was the 15 second because how they were set up. I knew it was going to go to the 30 second also, and then the 1 minute. And now we're waiting patiently for it to move up to the 3 minute. And this is the buy stop. The BS means a buy stop. The ST means a safety trade buy right here. When it's 3 minute, that means it's an official buy stop. When it's in green like that, the BS. And there's other crosses, mean the SPX cross would mean that it's a blue line cross. That's all. You don't have to know all that. All right. So this is how I knew to call out, because NAS and SPX move as one symbol, right? They all move. NAS, SPX, and US 30. All three of them had flipped to green after being red for hours and hours and hours. And then I knew that we were going to go the 15 second and the 30 second because there was buy stops to them. And I'll show you what that is in a second. Matter of fact, let's go down to right now. And then we're going to go back in time right to here. See, look, little buy stops. And there's another one and another one. So these are your 15-second buy. This is the line where I sent out the emails to you. So you guys following the logic of what I'm doing, yes or no? Do you understand the basis of what the Uno reverse trade is? Yes or no? Okay, and this is how we're up all those pips, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. Okay. So this US 30 SPX all move as one. They were all flipped over to, they all have to do it too. They all have to do it. The 1 second, 5 second, 10 second. I said, hey, buy stop to the 15 second, 30 second blue lines, and then the 1 minute. And I called that all through emails, a free email, and they all did it. And I'm teaching you how and the logic I'm using to look at that. Dennis said no with an 8. Wait, that's not a no. A 9's a no, Dennis. Oh, 7. He mistyped. Dennis, you're silly. All right. So there you go. This is my logic of what I'm looking for. Now, here's the reality of what it was doing. This is the 15 second. We're going to go down to the 10 second, for instance. Okay. So this is what it looked like on SPX. Matter of fact, we can go back in time now. This is what it looked like on NAS. Okay. So we're going to go back in time. I'm going to go back to my line where I called this. All right. Now we are back in time. We just traveled back about 2 hours ago. This is what it looked like. This is what it was. This is what I saw when I made this email sent out to you guys. Literally, this is what I saw. This is what I saw on NAS. This is what I saw on SPX. And this is what I saw on US 30. Okay. So I said, hey, that looks like a lot of green. Let me go up and see if this 15 second is going to be falling. Oh, this is what I saw. I saw a buy stop, green, 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 red. This is a broken box, green, green, to the blue line that I taught you guys yesterday on. And it's a 15 second buy stop to the blue line for US 30. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. At the same time, it was a green, 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 red, green, green with the green up here in the broken box to the blue line on NAS. Oh, look, it was a 3-peat, green, 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 red, broken box, green on our candles and green on the line to the blue line. So all 3 indices, US 30, NAS, and SPX move as one symbol. All 3 of them had flipped on the 1 second, 5 second, 10 second. All 3 of them had a 15 second buy stop to the blue line. A buy stop to the 15 second blue line just means there's a buy stop, and it means it's going to that blue line. And we know it was under it because the rifle told it was under it. Okay? So the rifle works, sniper rifle works hand in hand with the sniper. I'm not even using the sniper. I'm just teaching you how to find the buy stops now without it and how to do the Uno reverse without it. So are we all clear? Please type out the word yes or no. Yes, you're clear. No, you're not. What's up, Sean Gladdy? Good morning, Dennis. Good morning, Filio. Larry Cooper said twice yes. Thank you, Larry. Good morning, Miss Regina. Aussie trader Larry Cooper on TikTok. and everybody on YouTube. Matter of factly, I think it is time. I see a good number of you here now. We're going to do a little prayer. In the name of Father, Son, Holy Spirit, amen. Father, I pray in Jesus' name that you heal every one of my listeners right now, that you heal me and Bree and I, and every one of us, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, in every way we need to be healed so that we have a healthy, happy, and loving relationship with our loved ones, our significant others, and a great relationship with you, God. And we thank you so much for helping heal us. I ask this blessing upon each and every one of my listeners. And I also beg of you to please open up their minds, hearts, ears, and souls, whatever needs to be open so that they can hear and listen to and take action on the words I'm teaching them right now. Please let me be concise, and please let me have the brevity, and please let me have the knowledge to be able to pass on to them so they become consistently profitable traders. Please, God, and then that they do good with their money once they are consistently profitable. Thank you for all these things. And if we can do your will while we're here on earth, please let us do whatever that is. Use us as your humble servants. And please let us forgive us of all our sins and let us get to heaven. In Jesus Christ's name, amen. All right, little prayer done. Do. All right. Good morning, Kev Alderman. I know you're already on TikTok also. Good morning, Kevin. What's up, ABSHAG? Abs? I'm not going to say the other word. All right, now let's get back to the training. What we're training this morning is one of the safest and definitely easiest trades in the world, the Uno reverse overnight trade. What happens is if they bring things up for several hours, usually all day, then overnight they flip it down. Or if they bring it down, then they turn around and flip it up. So it's a very nice, easy way to trade. I'm teaching you that once the 1 second, 5 second, 10 second hit, I sent out this email to each and every one of you, over 5,000 people, probably total email and the messages through Discord. And yeah, so we have those went out. And then I told you we're up over 350 pips with that. And it's giving another buy opportunity right now as you speak, by the way. 30-minute. Got to reset that. All right. So now this is where we're at. So the trade setup is we wait for these on my sniper rifle to flip on all three indices, NAS, SPX, and US 30. You can clearly see when I wrote this out, they all move as one symbol. So what happens to one happens to them all. When I saw this trade where the line is, we went back in time about 2 hours ago with the trade back look back feature on TradingView, which I just love. It's actually the best thing they have. And it's green, 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 red. And literally this is what I saw. This is a buy stop to the blue line. Okay. So this is what I saw then. It's currently a buy stop, by the way. You guys can put your buy stops in, follow it as it goes down. It will flip and come back up. And if it doesn't, we'll just enter in the sells later, but I'm not trading a sell. But anyway, so there you go. So this is green, 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 red. It is a buy stop. Watching, listening while driving to work. I won't be able to engage. Yes or no, but I'm here. Oh, thanks, Kimberly, for letting me know. Yay. Okay. Yay, that's the name. Oh, that's good, Abs. Good morning to you. Are we buying now? Yeah, we're waiting for a buy stop on SPX, NAS, and US 30 to SPX's 3-minute blue line. Yeah, we're looking for a buy. We're just waiting for that to happen. All right, now, so this is the setup. This is where we're at, and you can see the buy stops. Now, what do you know what a buy stop is? A lot of you are unaware of the terminology here, so I'm going to show you something and teach you exactly what it is. We're going to zoom in a lot, and I'm going to zoom in here. We're going to zoom in there. We're going to zoom like this. We're going to make this just a nice, big, zoomed-in area that you guys can see everything. You don't have to worry about stuff. Watch. Here, there we go. Okay. Now, I sent out an email to thousands of you for this 15-second, 30-second buy stop. Then I followed up with a 1-minute buy stop. So this is the 15-second SPX. This is what I saw. Green, 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 red. Well, in my system, let's write it out. It's so easy. Green means up and red means down. It doesn't mean a loss. That's the complete opposite of what it means. You can make shit tons of money. So green equals up, red equals down. Now, this right here seems to be a very simple complex, but a simple way of looking at things, but a lot of you lose track of that. So watch. This green, 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 red, and then you see some green candles up here and that stuff, and I'll teach you what that is. And this is a broken Bach. I'm not going to get into that, but that is a buy stop. So anyway, when we see this setup, it's going to eventually go up. So I'm going to teach you how to play it while we're looking at why we are looking at this trade. The setup is all three indices, SPX, NAS, and US 30 move is one. The 1 second, 5 second, 10 second on my sniper rifle flip to green. That means they're all above their 1 second, 5 second, 10 second blue lines. The 15 second was still below it. This is exactly what I saw. And I'm going to teach you how to trade this trade, but let me give you a little driving home video right here so you guys can see this trade and what it looks like. Okay. Now, we're going to come over to here and we're going to use our example. Hold on 1 second. We're going to stop that right there. We're going to move this over to here. We're going to move this over to here. And we're going to come back over to, oopsie, I might be doing something. Oh, there we go. Okay, verification complete. All right, now I'm going to teach you that in my system, green means up and red means down, okay? Here's 3 swimming trunks, green, 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 green. This is the equivalent of NAS touchdown 1 minute blue line. Nice. This is the equivalent of, let me get somebody over here. ABS. ABS hack. So ABS is trying to go down. Now this 15-second trade right here, ABS is red. He's trying to, or she is trying to swim down to the bottom of a pool. The red equals the red here. Below ABS, you have Harry pushing up. Green means up. You have Kimberly Pretty pushing up. You have Larry Cooper pushing up. These are 3 of my indicators. These 3 indicators right here, real direction bars, are the equivalent of the 3 people pushing up against ABS trying to swim down to the bottom and get this coin. So that is the analogy. Above, there's a blue line, there's these green things, the orange is below. So there's 3 more of these and plus a broken Bach. There's going to be 3 more people pulling up. So above, you're going to see Aussie Trader, Kevin Alderman, Kev, and you're going to see Cristobal Armas. Good morning, Cristobal. Pulling up. So let's go ahead and go forward with this analogy so you guys can see this. And then I'll play it all the way through. Okay, so watch. These 3 are above my signal. My indicators are pulling up. See how they had the 3 green shorts? And this is pushing up. So while ABS, everyone's thinking 93% of all traders are thinking this is going to continue to go down, my system has completely, let's go back to this again. All right, this is a buy stop. Let me put this on repeat. Nope, where's my repeat at? Let me go back again. Okay. This is ABS swimming in a pool. We have 3 indicators pushing up against ABS. ABS is trying to go down and get this coin. You can clearly see there's 3 indicators pushing up. There's 3 more indicators pulling up. They're green. There's no way, even if ABS is on steroids and Michael Phelps, ABS is not going down. The trade was not going to go down. It was going to go up. And this is called a buy stop. So let's watch that again. Listen to this cute little song.
One of these things
The red.
is not like the others.
See?
One of these
The
things
red.
just
See the
belong.
red?
Can you guess which thing is not like the other? Before
There's
we
the green
finish our song.
being pulled up.
See, all that green and only one red? That's a buy stop for the safety trade system.
So that means what? That means it's going to go up. We don't do market orders. A buy stop is a pending order. Okay? So with that in mind, we're going to come back over here again. You're going to notice a lot of green. Okay? You're going to notice a lot of green on the screen and very little red. That means we're looking for buys. Okay? So we now have our setup, green on the 1 second, 5 second, 10 second. There's buy stops to the blue line on the 15 second on all three indices. I sent out an email saying it's going to go to the 15 second, 30 second, and the 1 minute. And of course, that's what ended up happening. And I'm explaining to you what a buy stop is. Are we all clear on everything? Sevens if you're all following along. And you got the example. Why we use that example is because we use kids. We use kids. We train kids here. Children of members are being trained by their adults. And in this case, LD is teaching his children and grandchildren how to trade. And they're learning what buy stops are and sell stops are. So we had a cartoon made up and we had music made up to teach, not just the children, but also the adults. And this is a buy stop. So we're all cruising along. Okay. And this is how the call just made us 300 pips this morning already. And it might be resetting again. So we'll get into that in a minute. But right now we're teaching on the buys. All right. So now we're going to teach you how to play this trade, how you're going to trade this trade. Let me pull this out of the way. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is that the orange line has gone below my red and yellow line. So you'll see over here it didn't. There was a buy stop there and it didn't do that. But over here it did. Okay. So now my orange line is below. And I'm going to teach you how you can enter this trade very, very, very easily. It is off the orange line. And then I'm going to teach you where to put your stop loss, your take profits, and all that good stuff. Okay, so we have our green, and then our greens are above here. And then we have a buy stop on all three indices. Now, entrances. This is where I'd put my buy stop line. I would put it right here on my orange line. I'm a terrible drawer. You can also put it up here if you're a little less aggressive. Those are pretty straight, aren't they? Wow. And these are called your buy stops, which are future pending orders, your entries. You don't play market order. You play buy stops. That's why you would never enter in the buy stop that's current on SPX and US 30 and all that. You would just follow them down. That's all you do. Okay. So this is our buy stops. I prefer the orange line underneath. That's what I would do. And technically, I might have to put my buy in now. Let me see how this is going to hook for us. Let me go forward. All right. So we have our setups. We're going to wait for price action to go up and touch it. See, now it moved down a little, so I'm going to move it with it. This is rule 7, I think. We're just going to move it down a little bit. This will be our entry. I'm going to use that as my entry because it's close enough. Because the way the playback is, it'll arch up real quick and I'll miss things. I'm just going to put my buy in here. All right, so now we have our buy entry in. And I hate when it puts it right in the center, but that's what it does. So it's right technically there. And of course, that's right in the middle of our thing. Hold on a second. Let me redo this line for you. Okay, this is this. Let me go over to here. Let me put it in right over there. And then these are our entrances. So we're looking at a 15-second Uno reverse trade. It's going to the blue line. It is a buy stop to the blue line. I called this. I sent this out an email that made over 300 pips, 350 pips over on all three indices, just so you're aware. That's what you're dealing with. Okay. Now, this is my entry. Now we have to have a stop loss put in. Well, the stop loss, let me move this up just a little bit. I hate to do this, but I have to, is from the lowest point. So watch. Entries, and you could put this one right here if you wanted to wait right there on that yellow. And you would have put this one right here on the orange. Okay. Now, these are your entries. So our stop loss, this is where a lot of you get confused. The movement up, and it pivoted and came down and went up. You can use this one, but if you're going to use this one on a fucking 5 second, 10 second, or 15-second trade, it's, in my opinion, too close. I would go back to the this one right here, this pivot point right there. I would look at this as one big trade that it hooked and came up over here. I would put my stop loss on this type of time frame here. And on SPX, if you think that's a lot of pips, it's not. On SPX, if this is our entry, right? Let me go over to here. And we go down to here. That is 5 pips. Your stop loss would be 5 pips. So if you can't afford a $5 fucking stop loss on a 0.01 trade, don't trade. Well, you're supposed to be demo trade anyways, okay? So then this is where the stop loss goes. Am I clear on where the stop loss goes? I'm going to redraw it for you guys again. Okay, so watch. The stop loss in this case is going to be for wherever this was down here, hooked, came up, and then came across over here. So our stop loss is going below here. And this is a stop loss. All that we're missing is where do we put our take profits? We're clear on that, yes or no on the stop loss? Stop loss goes below the lowest pivot point. This is your buy stops, your entries off the orange line or the yellow red line. We're taking profit. I'll show you in just 1 second where the take profits go. So this is how we spotted the trade. We looked for SPX and NAS and US 30 to start flipping to green. When we saw my sniper rifle flip to green, I sent out an order because all 3 indices had a buy stop to the 15-second blue line. Good morning. Great morning, Sally C. God bless you. Okay. So here we go. Now, this is the setup. Now, where do we put our take profits? Take profit 1 in my case would be the red and yellow line, but if you entered there, it wouldn't be. It's always this orange line right here. Place your take profit right below there. It's always going to go there. And on these time frame, it's always going to go above this little top one over here. So those are going to be my 2 take profits. So it's going to be right here. I hope I can draw this good. Right. Oh, that's a little low. I'll have to raise it. And then right there. And that's a little low too. Okay, let's try better. Up here. And up here. Yeah, I just love this take. This is that those take profits, and then you're gonna let a runner run, are just outstanding. So these are your take profits. They are absolutely going to happen every time the trade engrades. And runner. Okay. A runner means you leave one open. You just leave it open. Okay, so here we go. Take profit 1 would have been right here at 5,571. Take profit 2 would have been at 5,574, maybe 5. Okay, so now we have the whole entire trade setup. This is exactly. Thank you, Sally. Good morning, Random Neil. What's up, Random? So this is exactly what you guys are catching right now is exactly how to trade one of the safest, definitely the easiest trade, the Uno reversal overnight trade. US 30, NAS, and SPX all move as one symbol. Green equals up, red equals down. So what happened was this morning I sent out an email to thousands of you saying there was a 15-second demo buy stop and a 30-second demo buy stop on NAS, US 30, and SPX. This is how I sent it. I literally 1 second flip to green on all three indices, 5-second flip to green, and a 10-second flip to green on all three indices. So I said, duh, it's going to go to the 15-second if there's a buy stop to it. And here's your buy stop: green, 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 red, green, green to the blue line. And then I said it's going to go to the 30-second blue line because you knew once one falls, the other one falls, rule 7. And then it was going to go to the 1 minute blue line. Is it still going to go to the 3 minute? I don't know. I'll go check that in a second for you. Well, in quite a few seconds for you. Okay, so this is our setup. You enter in off the orange line below the red and the yellow, or you can enter off the red and the yellow if you want, a little less aggressive. Take profit 1 would be the blue, or in this case, I'm going with the right below the orange, and then you can go to the top. So technically you have take profit 1 blue, take profit 2 the orange, take profit 3 the top. You put your stop loss below the pivot point. It doesn't mean on the 5 second, 10 seconds, the immediate one like I do on the larger time frames. It would be the lowest of the going back. You would go back a little bit and see the lowest point before it arched. And in this case, it's 5 whole pips on SPX. For the love of God, if you can't eat 5 pips, don't trade. So now we know our buy stop entries. We know where the take profits are. A runner means you're going to leave one of the trades open and slight take profit and let it keep running. And then you're going to have your stop losses. So is everybody up to speed? Yes or no, 7s or 9s? Everybody up to speed and know where we're at? Yeses or nos? Oh, wow. One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you do this thing and not like the other? For I finish this song. Yeah. 777s. Good morning, Annie Apple. What's up, Annie? 7s. Ab 7s. Larry Cooper. 7. Nice, Larry. Sally, yes. Okay, great. What's up, El Flacco? Now, we have everything set up. We have everything the way we want it. Well, let's see what happens to the trade. We kind of know, even though, whatever, but we're still going to look at it and see. Da, 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 da. Okay, now we're going to go forward in time. We're in a trade. This is the ins. We're waiting for it to go up to this blue line. We're going to see what happens. We're up $700 with 0 drawdown. 0 drawdown. Let me be clear on this. 0 fucking drawdown this morning on SPX. You'd have made $700 with 0 drawdown. Now, there might still be drawdown, but the first movement was no drawdown. Am I speaking clearly enough?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. For all my funded traders that shouldn't be doing funded trader, but you are, 0 drawdown. Is 0 drawdown pretty good? Yes or no? Is 0 drawdown pretty fucking good? Yes or no? I can't believe I have to do this. Yeah. I'm not going to go for yes. Larry Cooper says yes. No shit, Larry. I know, right? I have to ask this though, because, I'm going to see it's going to go down $2,000, $3,000. It doesn't matter. We know for a fact where it's going. So why do you care what the drawdown is? But 0 drawdown is pretty freaking good, okay? So you could just sell. Just sell right now. Close down your trade, make $700 and walk away. But we're not going to do that. Why? Because we trust the system. Still in profit. Still in profit. You're in $1,500. Take profit 1 in my mind when you hit the yellow right here. Take profit 1 is hit. Close down partial of your trades. Close down one of your trades. right? For some of you, though, you're just entering in. So I'm going to do another buy right there. So you can enter in on the orange line or you can enter in on the yellow red line. You're up $1,500. You can close the trade down. Okay. Next candle. Remember, we're doing a 15-second. You're minus $900. Okay. Minus 700. You're up 1,100. You're up 4,500. Take profit one is definitely hit at this point. I would say you gotta, if you're gonna hold, I would hold until halfway up, which would be right there. So you could say take profit two is hit, but I'm gonna wait a little bit on that. There you go. Take profit two is for sure hit. Take profit two, you would close down a trade. We're up 6,500 now. You will see eventually, by the way, this will turn to green. This will go up and touch the blue line, and then it will go up past here. Okay, so this is what you're witnessing right now, is a live trade that we did. It's all based on the sniper, the Uno reversal, the 1 second, 5 second on all three indices, NAS, SPX, and US 13. There was a 15-second buy stop. By the way, as this goes up on SPX, I'm going to redo this exact same trade with NAS, and you'll see the exact same movement at the exact same time. Fucking cool. So this is just SPX right now. It's a smaller symbol, less movement, volume movement. There you go. Now I call this H&H, horseshoes and hand grenades. This is close enough to the blue line. If you stick out your tongue, you can lick it. So if that's true, then you can close this trade down. Take profit three was hit. Now I'm still expecting it to go to this orange line right here, but this is take profit three was hit. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, now if there was any doubt about hitting the blue line, it's fucking blown up past the blue line. There's your take profit. This turned to green like I told you it would. And now you can go ahead and close down take profit 1, 2, and 3. I would even say it's close enough to above here. You can see it touched this orange line right there for absolute sure, went past it. I would close down everything, but I'd leave my runner open to see what happens. Okay. Da 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 da. Oopsie, we can't see. Oh, price action is continually to go up, right? We'll make it go now. There you go. And there you go. And there you go. And this is a trade playing out. This happened live. I called this live. I sent it out through an email to over 2,000 people, but over about 5,000 people live. And that is the trade. And there you go. And you can see it's another fill in the gap there. So when it goes past this line, then we go ahead and it'll flip, it'll turn to green. And then this will turn to green. The 15-second has been broken. Now, if we go to the 30-second blue line, let's see what it looks like. It hit that too, by the way. So now we have to take away the 30-second, and we have to put in that is flipped. Let's see then if this is changed to the 1 minute at this time. Yep, and there it goes to the 1 minute at this time. You see, this is where we entered at the white line when I told you to go in. We had zero drawdown, and then look, it's going up to here, and this is played to the 1 minute blue line. And that's how close it got, which again, you should sell and get out, blah, 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 all that stuff. Okay. So there you go. And that's how you do an Uno reversal. I'm going to show you the exact same thing again on NAS. It doesn't matter who buys. What's up, Skinny, for who buys 2,000 contracts? Skinny, you're kind of slow and you're missing the whole entire purpose. We don't care how many contracts. We don't care the profit. We care that the trade was 100% accurate. That's what we care about. Who cares? 2,000. There it is. This is what you care about, Skinny. So you can save your negativity and leave, or I'll throw you out. You can apologize or you can leave, Skinny. That's your two choices. What you care about isn't the profit. What you care about is 100% win rate of when I told you to enter the trade. Am I clear on that, Skinny? Yes or no? And if you don't respond, I'm throwing you out. And if you don't apologize, you're being thrown out. So we don't care if we buy 2,000 contracts. What we care about, did my signals to tell you when to get in, were they accurate 100%? Yes or no? And yes, they were. All righty. Who buys? Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. People, I swear to God, there's no room for negative people in this, in my, so if he came in and was nice and was kind, that's fine. I have no room for negative people in my system. You'll never see it. We are only a positive here. Who buys 2,000 contracts? Oh, people, negativity never ceases to amaze me. Our win rate was 100%. That's what you need to understand. And there you go. Now, this is for SPX. We're going to do the exact same thing for NAS. It did it on SPX, NAS, US 30, but we're just going to show SPX and NAS. So we're going to go over to NAS. Okay. We're going to go back to my line, which is right here. And this time I'm going to show you how to use the sniper to make this even more accurate than what you saw. It's going to be crazy accurate. Da, 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 da. Okay. Now, here we go. What I'm teaching you is the easiest, safest trade in all of trading. Okay? Now watch. This is so easy. Watch what happens. It's called the Uno Reverse Overnight Trade. US 30, NAS, and SPX all move as one symbol. If they move price action up all day or for several hours, then they'll flip it and move it down. When they flip it and move it down, we'll know. If they move it down all day, then they'll flip it and move it up. So if they go 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 seconds, and they all flip, which I just showed you how to play the 15 second on SPX, I'm going to show you how to use the sniper rifle on the 30 second. Well, you can see at the time, these were all red. So at the time, we're going to go back to that time. Watch. Who buys 2,000? People are so weird. Lordy, lordy, lordy. All right, here we go. We're going to use the playback feature. I just love this feature. Love, love, love it. Okay, here we go. And this is this. People are so slow. I swear to God. All right, we're going back in time. Can't just be positive and ask things in a nice way. People have to be negative, which is just mind-blowing to me, the negativity in this world. I'm teaching you out of the kindness of my heart how to use the system and trying to help you all learn how to trade. And then we get somebody like that in here. It's quite silly to me. Oh, nice. 30 minutes. All right. We have green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Okay. This is now we're looking at the 30 second. So we have SPX, NAS, US 30, all trading as one. All of them have their 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second above their blue lines. I look at the 30 second. I say, hey, 30 second, your price action isn't to the blue line yet. I'm going to go ahead and take a trade to the blue line because it's going to go there because these other 4 time frames on the other 3 indices, other 2 indices, have all flipped. So now I'm expecting the 30 second to do it. When I see a buy stop to the blue line, I'm going to go ahead and take that. Okay. So this is how I find and spot our actual trade, because my sniper rifle told me to look for this because it flipped on the other 4 time frames. The 1 second was above the blue line, turned green. The 5 second went above its blue line, turned green. The 10 second went above its blue line, turned green. The 15 second went above its blue line and turned green. Now I'm expecting the 30 second. What do you know? I go over the 30 second. I see a buy stop on NAS to its 30 second blue line. And I see the same exact thing on SPX and US 30. And I see it. And I go, hey, they're all doing it. What the fuck? If they're all doing it, then it's going to go to the 30 second blue line because they're all showing a buy stop. We followed up how I found this. Sevens, if you followed how we got to this point. Okay. I'll wait for you on YouTube. What's up, Tux?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I swear if Larry Cooper wasn't here, you guys would be waiting for hours. I just go lift, come back, do some more cardio, come back. You guys should all thank Larry. Buy stop on SPX, by the way, and NAS and US 30 to the 3-minute blue line. You guys play whatever you want. I'm not playing the sells. Okay. Now, back to what we were doing, our regular schedule program. We're going to go ahead and say, hey, I see green, 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 red. Well, let me see something over here. I wonder if that means that we can watch our cute little video again. So let's take a look. Our cute little video is set up right here. So we have Larry Cooper. What's up, Larry? Trying to swim to the bottom of the pool. Larry's never heard this a million times. Okay. So this is Larry swimming down to the bottom of the pool. He's in red swim trunks. Larry's trying desperately. See the red? He's trying to go down to get this gold coin. All of us can relate. We've all done it or seen it, right? This is what he's trying to do. Just like over here, the red right here is the equivalent of the red right here. So he's trying to go down. The price action is trying to go down right here. It's trying to go down. Below price action, however, we have three green indicators. Green real direction bar 3, 2, and 1. And they're all pushing up on Larry. So you're going to see 3 swimmers come over here and push up on Larry so he can't go down. Larry's trying to go down to the bottom of the pool. Larry has Sally and Tank Dog and Kimberly. Now I have to go to work. Grateful. Go, Kim. Pushing up. So watch what happens. These 3 indicators are pushing up. There's going to be 3 people come over and look, pop, they're going to push up. See, Larry trying to go down, right? Here's Larry trying to go down. 3 green indicators are going up. See, doop, 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 right here, and right here. And then what do we see? 3 green indicators here with the red. See the analogy? Does everybody understand this analogy is made for kids? Okay. So I am repeating it one more time. I don't know what else to do on that. All right. So this is the analogy right here. Yes, you guys understand that. Good morning. Thank you, God. Kevin Bree was my drawdown. Let's go get the sniper and let's get the thumbs up. Come on. We are blessed and profit blessed. I love your enthusiasm here, Piggy Piggy. Good morning. And thank you for the kind words. Okay. So there you go. So this is our analogy. 3. Now we're going to see up here, we're going to see 3 more little hook things come up. And you're going to see these guys right here being green. And they're going to pull up. So now Larry's trying to swim to the bottom, right? Look at all these arrows going everywhere. Larry's trying to go down to get this coin. 3 people are pushing him up. There's going to be 3 more people pulling him up. So let's go forward with our analogy. And then I'll play it without all this shit on there. See, they're coming down. They're going to hook them, watch. And then these three green shorted people right there, right here. This could be Mike, Tom, and Jerry. And then this is the green that's above it right here. Let me show you. See your green Bach, your green indicators, and the blue line. So we're fully expecting price action to hook and come back up. Just like poor Larry over here, he can't actually go down. He's getting pulled up against his will. He's getting pushed up. He's getting pulled up. He's getting pushed up. And there he is at the top. So let's watch all of that play back with none of this stuff up here. Let's get rid of all of these things. And then you guys can see the analogy play out live. Okay. So let's take a look. This is going to be what's called the buy stop. And this is a buy stop to the blue line. Okay. Oh, no worries, Sally. Here you go. The trade is going to try to go down right here. Larry's going to try to go down and get that coin right there. It's going to be pushed up, and then he's going to be pulled up. And then as he's pulled up, this trade is going to flip and come back up. And this is what I'm going to teach you how to do. Okay. Gets pulled to the top. So let's show you that again with our little buy stop music playing.
One of these things is not
See,
like
the red
the others.
isn't like
One
the
of
others.
these things
The
just
red over
doesn't
here isn't
belong.
there.
Can you guess which thing is not like the others? Before we finish
All the
our
green
song,
and one little red, it's going to go up. And
see,
of course it
all
does.
that green and only one red? That's a buy stop for the safety trade system.
Okay. So that is my beautiful wife. You can thank her whenever she comes on the lives with us. So does everyone get the swimming analogy? Sevens. What's up, Alan Bailey? Good morning. Good morning, Orlando Walters. Blessed morning to you. Sevens, if you understand what a buy stop is, a future pending order. I'm going to teach you how to trade this trade now and make this trade.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. All right. 777s. All right. I'm going to where is my repeat on this, by the way? Repeat. There you go. Let me see something really quick. Nope. This is annoying. Why won't it repeat this one play? No, at any rate. Swimming down, gets pushed up, gets hooked, gets pulled up, gets pushed up. The trade had no chance to go down. It wasn't going down. It was going to the blue line, gets pulled up. I think it's cute. Originally made this for children, but I'm using it for adults because that's what I like. All right. I'll be back. There is a 3-minute buy on NAS SPX US 30. I'll be right back. Done. Teaching is not done. Teaching is coming right up. All right, I'm back. Now, we'll finish up some training. Oh, how much time we got? Half hour, okay. All right. Does this repeat button have 3 options or just 2 options? Does the repeat button have 3 options or just 2? It looks like just 2, KJ. Good morning, KJ. Sally says light bulbs go off. Yay, Sally. I love when people get aha moments. All right. So this is the trade. This is how we spotted it. This is how, oopsie. This is how we're going to trade it now. Okay. This is NAS. And don't worry about how many contracts I'm going to buy. Fucking people are goofy. Silly little people. All right. This is how we're going to trade this one. We're going to put our buy stop in right here on our orange line. The orange line going below the yellow and the red is my favorite. And here's another buy stop entry. So these are your entries. I'm going to teach you how to set this trade up. Okay. So that's what these are. Are we all clear? Sevens if we're all clear on where the buy stop entries are. And then eventually you're about to see this turn to green. You'll see the pink cross the blue on the sniper. And this is going to be huge now. Now you're going to know the power of the sniper. The sniper is a separate. It isn't part of my raw system, the core system, but it is exceptional. I would never trade without it. I would sell my car and buy and make a payment on the sniper, $250 a month. It's that important to trading. Okay. Thank you, Techman. Thank you, Aussie Trader. Thank you, Larry. All right. So now we have our entrances. I'm going to scoosh this up just a little bit. Hold on a second. All right. And then we're going to do that because I got to show you something when we do it. All right. Now here we go. So we're going to enter in off the orange line, or you can enter in off these yellow red lines, either or, doesn't matter. And these are your buy stops. Now remember, you can either have your chart look like this with a bullseye where it's going to head, the goal of where it's going to go to, and have your charts look like this. You can have the indicators like this, or you cannot. And by not, I mean you can have a raw system. I mean a raw chart. Your chart can look like this instead. Now, if anybody would like to come on here and debate me of where this trade is going to go, up or down, you can go ahead and do that. Good luck. This is your raw chart. No one can trade a raw chart and tell me with any certainty of where this is going to go. Not one trader on fucking earth can tell me where this is going to go, let alone up. But if you had the system, you can easily see everything's pointing to a buy. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop to the blue line. Everything's pointing to. So again, you can go raw or you can go with the system. You can have nothing or you can go with system. Well, people say, oh, well, I don't trade nothing. I use stupid old ways of trading. Oh, okay. So you're telling me you use Fibonacci retracement. It fails 93%. Okay. Officially, it fails 93% of the time. I tell you it fails 99% of the time. So let me be clear on the difference there. Oh, you just say, well, I don't use Fibonacci because it sucks ass. It comes from nature and it's not real. Okay, fair. I use ascending, descending wedges. They lose officially 93% of the time they fail. Support and resistance fails 93% of the time. Head and shoulders fails officially 93% of the time. RSI fails, Bollinger Band fails 93% of the time. If you combine failure rate upon failure rate upon failure rate, even if you're using all these together, they still fail 93% of the time. But let me be clear, I'm saying they fail 99% of the time. But let's just use the 93% of the time thing, right? We know for fact that 93% of all traders quit after 3 years of trading. And I'm telling you that number is closer to 99%. So the fact is 93% exit after 3 years. That's a fact. That isn't an opinion. That's a fact. So if you were to, the example here, the analogy is if you went to your car and you tried to start it and it didn't start 93% of the time, you would consider that successful. Laughing out loud, you would consider that a failure rate. So all the old ways of trading suck ass. Every Kirk Brown, what about the price phases 1, 2, 3, and 4? I don't even know what you're talking about. That's sad. Yeah, the raw chart is 100% crap. So please type out the word facts if you understand that you cannot. And let me be clear. I used to use Fibonacci. I'd get a trade right here or there, and I was thrilled when it happened. A broke clock is even right 2 times a day and probably still is more accurate than any of the old bullshit ways of trading. So yes, they'll make a trade. You'll make a little money with Fibonacci retracement, let's say, right? Looking to the left, ascending, descending wedges. But you damn well know you're not going to be consistently profitable. So what is consistently profitable? Well, gee, I don't know. Let's take a look. My only goal is to get you retired if you want to. Okay. Markle Risby is retired. Kimberly Harrington's retired. Maria Toller is a stay-at-home mom. Mr. Gold is retired. Big D is retired. Adam S is retired. Boost is retired. Tommy and Jay could retire. So these are people, and I'm just too lazy to update that list. I guarantee you there's dozens and dozens more. I just off the top of my head thought of those. So they're using my system. They're retired. Old ways of trading suck effing ass. Now, let's go back to our chart. So with the system, you can clearly see the buy, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, and a goal. It's going to go to the blue line. Here's our take profits. Then, well, we have to, hold on. Let me get us engaged in the trade real quick. Okay, buy, stop. We're in. We're going to buy. The number of contracts don't matter numbnuts, okay? Jesus. We're in the trade. There it is. Now we have to have a stop loss. So let me zoom in a little bit because this is going to get you where we're going to have to see all this. We have to have a stop loss. And in this particular case, you're on a fucking 15-second chart, right? You're on a 30-second chart. Let me get this back over here. Okay. Let me move that right there. Okay. So we're on a 15-second chart. Therefore, you can't put your stop loss here. I mean, you can if you want to. But if I enter this trade, instead of my pivot point entry here, my pivot point entry is right here like that. I tried to explain that to you with SPX, and now this is NAS. Stop loss is going to be here. And on NAS, it will be much bigger than 5 pips. Let's see how many pips the stop loss is right here. This would have been your entry. I can't even get to it, somewhere there, and it would have went down. I hate the way they do this here. About 20, 25, 26, anywhere between 20 and 25 pips stop loss, which is fair. 20 pips stop loss, 30 pips stop loss. It's not terrible. It's not outrageous. That's where I would put it. You guys put it wherever you want, and that is your stop loss. Let me go ahead, since we're engaged now, your take profits and all that. I would put my first take profit on this yellow line. Second one, I would put right underneath the orange. I love that orange one as my ultimate take profit. This will be my third take profit. Of course, the blue line's where we're expecting it to go. That is my fourth, and then I leave a runner. So this is going to be, my entry is here. We're already in it. Okay. This is my stop loss over here. This is my non-typing stop loss right there. And then these are my take profits and my runner. And runner. Okay. Runner just means you leave a trade open, you let it run till it goes up as high as you want. Now, any news coming up and 8:30, whatever was CPI or something. I forgot. I don't think it's CPI. What the fuck was it? Whatever it is it is going to be a buy. I'm going to call out a buy stop for that. We can't trade anything else. I'll have to look at that though and let you know at the time. All right. So this is our setup. This is what we do. We have our take profits locked in, and then we're just going to play this forward. Now, one of the things I want to point out to you, you're going to see this pink line cross this blue line. The blue line is then going to hook up and come up. You're going to see this turn to green, and you're going to see this go up to that blue line. So the sniper right here, this thing right here, is the most accurate indicator ever made in the history of trading. It's literally the 8th wonder of the world. I don't care what anyone tells you. Should be the first wonder of the world. PPI is incoming. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sean, and thank you, John. John. Thank you, guys. I'm calling a buy stop for PPI before we even get there and before I even look at the charts. All right, so let's go ahead and play this forward and see what happens. Oopsie, we can't see it. Hold on. Take profit. Take profit. Take profit 1 hit. Take profit 2 hit. Take profit 3 hit. All take profits. Since I'd be closing down some trades right here. We're still waiting it to go up to the blue line. However, did you see the pink line hook? The pink line crossed the blue line. The blue line is hooking up. That's where that's going now. That's absolutely where that's going now. So watch. We're waiting for it to go up and touch the blue line. Let me get rid of all this shit. Hold on. There you go. Touchdown, touchdown, touchdown. You hit right here. Boom, perfection. This is now hit on the NAS. 100% winning trade. Absolutely fantastic on the trade. Okay. But who gives a fuck? Thank you here, Piggy. That's right. All right. First of all, you'd have made 350 pips before PPI. You shouldn't even be trading PPI, but I'll trade it with you guys if you want to have some fun. But I got to see my setups or I'm not taking a trade. All right. So there you go. So this is your everything. And this is how you trade it. So again, just so you guys understand, I'm showing you how to look for, let me grab this back to here. I'm showing you how to look for the safest, easiest trade in the world, the Uno reverse overnight trade. We trade US 30 NAS and SPX, all move as one symbol. Green is up, red is down. Right here on my sniper rifle, you saw the flip from the 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, waiting for the 30 seconds. So we looked over here. We saw the 30 second at the time of my call. I sent this email out to thousands of you saying buy, stop to the 15 second and 30 second. We did the 15 second with SPX. Now we're doing NAS with the 30 second. So when you rewatch this over and over and over again, you'll get a really, really good idea of how this works. All right. So that is NAS to the 30 second blue line. And there's your buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line because it's being called out by the sniper rifle, because it's being called out on all 3 indices to the 30 second blue line. That's how we spotted the trade. I just taught you how to trade the trade. Are we all clear on that? Yes or no? If not, you might have to rewatch that on your own. Let's get rid of this. Let's go over to 3 minute. Yeah. There are sell stops in place to the 7-hour blue line for NAS and SPX, 12-hour blue line and US 30. I'm not playing any of those. So if it's only going to be a sell, if it's only going to be a sell at news time, I'm not taking it. Kirk Brown, do you use a sniper across 2 intervals to show where price will go on the lower interval? Yeah, we use a sniper on 2 intervals, 100%. Yes. I just didn't teach you that this morning because I'm teaching you guys too much as it is. I'm sure 80, 90% of you don't even understand what I talked about, even though I repeated it 20 times on what the Uno reversal trade is. But yes, you would look at 2 time periods. We always look at 2 time periods, but I didn't teach that because it's just too much for everybody. So I'm not doing it. Hope that helped you all. Everybody like that training? Yes or no? Was that understandable to you guys? Yes or no? Did you catch the drift of everything I was trying to tell you? Yes or no? I thought it was invaluable. 3 minute buy stop to the blue line. All 3 indices for PPI news. Nice. You're welcome, Kirk Brown. Thank you, Larry Cooper. That means a lot coming from you, Larry. All right. Because if it wasn't good enough, let me know. it's a concept that is going to have, you guys got to wrap your head around. I'm sure Larry gets it and a lot of you get it, but there's sure a lot of you watching like, how the fuck? What's he talking about? NAS, SPX, blah, 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 all that in a row. Fucking gorgeous. Thank you. Says here, baby. Thank you. Absolutely. Yes, it was great. Thanks so much for all you do. You're welcome, Sally. And thank you for saying that here, Piggy. How are we doing with everybody? We're 44 there. So about 60 people. All right. Anybody want me to? Oh, shit. What time is it? We got 13 minutes. All right. News. Whatever PPI is, I don't give two fucks. If it's a sell, I'm not taking it. Why am I not taking a sell? Anybody at all? Anybody answer the question. Why am I not looking for a sell on NAS, SPX, or US 30, even though there may very well be one? Why am I not playing a sell? Anyone at all? Now, usually I would play a sell just for fun to show you guys, but I'm not going to do that this morning. Anybody at all? I'm sure it'll help many with questions on the rifle. Just rewatch this video. Yep, I've already placed it in the rifle rewatch. So we do know that there is a sell stop in force. You can clearly see the red down arrow versus the green up arrow from the 4 hour. So if we go up to the 7 hour, well, let's take a look. Gee, I called a 7 hour sell stop to the blue line, and it did. What do you know? I'm calling it also down to the 12 hour blue line on SPX, NAS, and US 30. Higher time frame buy goes against the flow. Correct, Aussie trader. Correct, Techman. Okay. Thank you, Techman, and thank you, Aussie Trader. Yay, oh, that's awesome. Okay. Because it's buying. Right. So they can keep going down. Price action can keep dropping. All that does is make a better buy for us later on. Let me see SPX again. Yep. Let me see NAS again. Mm-hmm. Yeah, no. Nope. Don't care. We can't even take a sell anyways unless this thing goes flipping. 10 minutes to PPI news. I don't even think I keep PPI on my radar. I don't think it moves enough. So unless we get some kind of pullback up, there's nothing we can do. 3-minute buy stop on NAS to the blue line. 3-minute buy stop SPX to the blue line. 3-minute, well, technically it's not going to go there. US 30 is the only sell I would look for. Like, for instance, I can teach you right now, it's a 1-minute sell. We can go over here, 15-second. You can see the sell. You can see this is going to hook. This is going to come down. Yeah, you can see all these are going to be sell, 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 down, 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 15-second sell, 5-second sell. But I'm not calling any of that. 1-second sell. So no. If I was going to look for a sell, I would look for US 30. I'm not looking for a sell. We'll be watching these things on the buy. And that's it. So we'll just wait. I'll give you guys some time. Oh, shoot fire. I think that was my other alarm. That was my other alarm. And I kicked it off like it was nothing. Okay, there we go. 30 minutes. All right. That's why we don't comply with their bullshit. That's why I have sector correct. Up 120 pips. Oh, nice, big. Congratulations. Hopefully that gives you some money to buy the system with. Let me look at ERUSD. I remember the call, but I don't even know what the hell it's done. I haven't looked at it. Let's see. Yay. Good for him. All right. 15 seconds. Interesting. 1 second, 5 seconds. Let me see the 15-minute again. Well, at least you're up. That's all that matters. It is a really nice 1 hour, 2 hour buy coming up too on ERUS. It's a really nice buy stop. This is a fantastic buy stop. ERUSD is a 1 hour. Yeah, this is a really good buy right there. If you want to look into that for later. Not now, but for later. Nice. All right. Anybody have any questions while we wait 8 minutes for this news? And I'm not doing anything with it other than a buy. 5 second buy stop to the blue line NAS. You'll see this blue line come down. The pink will cross the purple. You'll see this turn back to green. And then eventually you'll see price action go above the orange, above the other, and go halfway up and then go back up to this. And let's watch it happen. Do, 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 do. Doot, do, 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 do. Doop, do, 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 doop, do, 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 do. Okay, let me see what's happening over here in SPX. Even though they're 5 second candles, they still could look like paint drying. It's crazy, isn't it? Yeah, same thing. Buy stop. Yep, same thing. Buy stop. So the 5 second blue line NAS and SPX. I doubt US 30 is doing anything. So let's take a look. See. It is another one, actually, but I'm not calling it. I'm only going to watch NAS and SPX. I'm not going to watch US 30. Do, 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 do. And there you go. There's NAS in the money. Told you it was going to break. Told you it was going to come up past its previous. There you go. There's NAS going to its 5 second blue line. Told you pink will cross purple. Told you to fill in the gap. There it is. In the money on your NAS buy. You can take the money and run if you like. Da, 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 da. We have basically 5.5 minutes to market open. Market open till PPI news. Not market open till PPI news. You're already in the money on these buys. I told you where it was going to go. I told you I was only looking for buys on NAS and SPX. I don't give two shits if this thing drops. I'm not playing it. So if you want to play this 1 second, 5 second buy, feel free. See, it doesn't matter. See, you can make money trading these cells. It's easy. A lot of my members do that. Or you could just go with the flow and be patient and wait for the buys to come into play. Pink's going to hook down. It's going to come back, hook up, but it's got to come down a little further first. You need a space right here. Like you see the space right there. Then you'll see the pink line hook, come back up. Then you'll see price action go up above here and it'll come up about halfway and then it'll repeat it until it goes up to that blue line. 5 minutes to the PPI news. Good morning, Mike Snyder. What's up, Mike? You missed some great training. I strongly recommend you go back and watch the training. And then you also missed some great call outs. I sent out an email to everybody over, 2,000 through emails. Probably, I think, close to 5,000 people total there you go. Here comes the little hook now. For the buy stop to the 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute blue lines on NAS US 30 this morning. Over 350 pips were already made. Buy stop, you place your buy stop right here on the orange line as this falls. This is perfect. See the space right here? I told you had to come. Look at the pink over here. The pink's going to cross the purple like it did right here. This gap will fill in. This might turn red. Oh, good. A full on buy stop. Buy stop to the 5 second. See the buy stop right here, the BS. Then it turned into the safety trade right there. Keep following it down. Yeah, this is nice. Let me see SPX doing the same thing. Buy stop. SPX NAS to the 5-second blue line. I love this. Just be patient. And if you, first of all, A, don't trade the news. B, don't trade the news. C, don't trade the news. Make sure you're only doing demo trades, lock in profit. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. What's up, Tuxie? Is everybody here, Tuxie? Little Tuxie? Little Tux Tux? Little Tuxie Wuxie? Okay. Put it right here. Take profit 1, NAS, 19,489. Take profit 2, NAS. Well, let's put some jingles on. Take profit 2, NAS, 19,493. Take profit. Hey, where the hell are my NASs? Hold on. Oh, Jesus. All right, now. Take profit 3 right here. Let me get that right there. Okay. You're in the money on the buys on NAS. You're in the money on the buys as NAS, as called out, drawn out, and technically traded out with you. You're SPX. You were in the money on SPX also. Hold on. It's tough to watch 2 of these charts at once. Yep, you were in the money on SPX also. Did exactly take profit 1 was hit on SPX. PPI news and minute and a half. I'm not taking any sells, even though US 30 might be showing a sell. I don't care. I'm just going to sit right here. If it goes up, yay. If it doesn't, so what? We're just not going to make any money. We'll do slept in new puppy keeping them. Yeah, we have to crate them and get them out. That's funny. Sorry about that, Mike. Good morning, Mike Snyder. What's up, Mike? Buy stop, 5-second. If it engages again, take profit. I got to try to watch NAS and SPX. I'm not looking at US 30 right now. I don't care. Do not play PPI. Lock in profit if you have any. If this is going to move, I'm going to go in and out super quick. I might not even be able to pull my charts over for you. We'll see. Okay. News coming up now. There you go. All take profits hit. All take profits hit. All take profits hit. All take profits hit. Hit. All take profits hit. Hit. All take profits hit. All take profits hit. All take it. All take. Told you. Listen to it. Listen to the joy. Listen to the happiness. Just like yesterday, NAS in the money, SPX in the money, NAS in the money. All take profits hit. All take profits hit. All take profits hit. Woo! Who saw that, baby? Who saw that? Who called it? Go over to the safety trade system, buy the system while you can. $575 for the year. Don't even get me started. Holy shit. Amazing. Amazing what you just saw. Who called it? Who called it? Who called it? What's up, Solace Soul? Good afternoon, Solace. Good morning, Solace. Wow. Did you guys see that? All take profits hit. All take profits hit. All take profits hit. Woo! I don't care if it goes down. All I know is I took profit. I hope you did too. I hope you did too. But remember, guys, remember this.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right, peeps. I sold one of my goddamn gold ones. I got fucking caught up. I sold one of my gosh darn gold ones. I sold one of my gosh darn gold ones. Dang fuck. Dang fuck. I sold one of my gold ones. Look at that money. Pop, 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 pop. These are all my times in. These are my trades. You got to be quick when it comes to this shit. You got to be quick. Just take it and run. These are my times in. These are my buys for my NASs and SPXs, and these are the profits. I was trying to tap out and get all the money I could, but I was talking to you guys. Look at that shit. That's how you play PPI. Buy stop. 5 second again. Kev called it again. Fuck the news. Amen. And people don't think this would make a good TV show. I do. I can't believe I sold one of my gold ones. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. I had that gold trade open for a while. Fuck. I mean, I still got my big gold trade open. Don't get me wrong. I still have the big gold trade open because I knew not to close that one. But yeah, this one's still open. But my little one is closed. 4,000 or something. Fuck. So that's how you do PPI. PP. Why? Thank you, Kevin. You're welcome here, Piggy Piggy. Isn't that fun? Wasn't that fun? Wow. Awesome. Now, after that, what do we have coming up? What is she? Here, I'll just do it now. Do 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 do. President's Day. Oh, I didn't know that. Move money. No. Move money from. Do 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 do. Okay. Now that was fun. Who needs news when we have the real deal? Amen. Good morning, Grant. You just missed me play that. The 5 second buy just called on SPX in the money. You just missed me play the PPI though. NAS, I'm sure same thing. 5 second call in the money. 5 second buy again in the money. I asked US 30 also in the money. That's really interesting. US 30 did it too. See, I told you. You guys just have to trust the system. Just trust the system. Just trust the system. That's all I can tell you. Another 30 off NAS. Thanks again. Yep, there you go. Solid soul. Thank you, Larry Cooper. Harry, did you like that, Harry? Wasn't that fun? Yay. 5 second buy stop again. SPX and NAS. All right, I'll be right back.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right, I am back. Do 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 doot do 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 doot. How much fun is that this morning? You're in the money again on your 5-second buy. You're in the money again on your 5-second buy. You're in the money again on your NAS. I'm sure same thing. Let me check. Yep, in the money on NAS, in the money on NAS. Let's see, US 30. Yep, you made money on US 30. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. All right. Woo! Making money left and right. I got so excited I closed down my gold trade. Fuck. I love that gold trade. Triple fuck. I love that gold trade. I love that trade. Damn, I got one open though. All right, buy stop again, 5-second US 30. I'm sure it's the same here. Boom. See, it's flashing the money sign. Did you see Keith? Keith was flashing the money sign. This is a signal from the rifle that goes out to you on the 32nd. Oh, that is so cool. Keith is so cool. So fucking cool. Yep, there it goes. 30-second blue line. Let's see if it ever hit the 3-minute blue line. No, it has not. Do, 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 do. Doot. Yep. 3-minute blue line was hit on a ricochet, by the way. NAS 3-minute blue line was hit again. And I'm sure SPX did too. Nope, not yet. Buy stop. Play any buy stop on SPX until take profit 1. Here we go. This is for NAS and SPX. Take profit 2. Here we go. 5,603. Take profit 3. And then after this, you can look for your sells. Buy stop to the 3-minute blue line SPX and play any NAS US 30 buy stops you can find until then. Thank you, Keith. Get that sniper. Thanks, Kev. You're welcome, Techman. Burr NAS. Okay. When he's in this, thank you, Keith. Get that sniper. Keith? Yeah, I thank Keith. Absolutely. All right. And good morning, Solid Soul. Good to see you here again. Love, he's been with me for years and years and years and years. I don't know, probably 2, maybe 3 years now. I don't know how long he's been here with me. Da, 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 da. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Da, da. Whatever. Okay. Do, 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 do. Anybody have any questions over anything before the what we got, like 50 minutes for market open? If anybody has any questions, ask. If anybody has any symbols they want me to check, ask. Do, da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, na, 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 na. Na, 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 da, 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 da.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Dun, 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 dun. You're in the money on that buy stop for SPX to the 3-minute blue line. You're in the money on that buy stop. Positive relationships. Look above. Whatever you wrote, positive relationship was blocked. You'll need to send an email in. Do, 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 do. Whatever you sent, whatever you said is being blocked. There's nothing there. I can pull it over for you to see, but whenever you think you're sending something and you're saying something weird, you'll be blocked. So you have to send it in another way. See your look above. Look, there's nothing to see above. Do, 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 do. So there's only like 5 people said you rocked. I fucking nailed that fucking news. And like 5 you said, good job, whatever. People, whatever. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. All right. Anybody has any questions, any comments, anything they want to learn about, please ask now. We did a fantastic rifle learning training today. The rifle is invaluable. It sends out signals. I don't think people understand what they're getting. The Uno reverse signal is sent out to your charts automatically. Craziest shit I've ever seen. You're welcome, Aussie Trader. Aussie Trader. Now I'm mad there's no news tomorrow. Yeah. I like no news because it interrupts my training, and I don't like that. I'd rather just trade with you guys and train with you guys than the news, but news is fine. Nailed it yesterday, nailed it this morning. Easy. They did the exact same thing yesterday. They did the exact same thing this morning. So it's pretty easy to nail. Get those thumbs up. Come on, team. Thank you here, Piggy. Appreciate you. Da, 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 da. All right. No questions, no comments. All right. Let's go hunt for some other little good trades, shall we? J&J, buy stop J&J. Never will be, it never won't be for the next 2 years. 30-minute buys on J&J, take them. Target is a buy. I don't care what it's doing on the sell in the short term. Target is a huge buy. Has it been called out by my system correctly? Yeah, it has. Let me get this out of here. Has it been called, target been called out by my system correctly? Well, yeah, if you think correctly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it made the correct trade, then yes, it has. Those are closed demo trades. The open trade, is it in profit? Is it red or green? If it's green, it made money. So yes, it has. It's called it out correctly. What's it calling for now? By using the second greatest indicator ever made, the sniper rifle, you can see clearly that there's something funny going around here. I'm going to go over here to the 5-second. Yeah, target, 5-second buy stop to the blue line. But I don't like playing that on stocks. I'm going to go way up here and see what this 1 month and 3 month is up to. And I'm going to go with that flow. Let's see, the 1 month. Oh, look, is a red. And the 3 month is green. Buy stop target. I love this buy stop target. Take profit 1, $120. Take profit 2, $130. Take profit 3, $140. Take profit 4, and I love this take profit 4, $169. Love target as a buy. Love it. Is that going to take time to develop? Yes. Is it going to take 6 months, a year? Yes. May it take 2 years? Yes. Is it going to go up there? Yes. Yes, it is. Da, da, da. Aussie Trader. Yeah, and I don't care about that shit. It doesn't even matter. By the way, let's all think about the scam you guys just witnessed. Let's just be clear. Hold on. Let's go back up here. Let's go back up. Let's go back to my 5-second charts that I was looking at. And let's just look at this scam, shall we? This thing was called right at the time they announced the 8:30 came. There's no way they knew whether that news was positive or negative, but at 8:30 it shot straight up. They never even said one word at that time, but they shot it straight up without any knowledge. If that isn't a scam, then I don't know what is. There's no way NAS, SPX, and US 30 all shot up at the same time at 8:30 when there was no news given. They didn't announce anything. They didn't read anything. So you guys need to start waking up. The markets are manipulated. My system has figured it out, broke the code, but yeah, that's it. Is NAS still going to its 3-minute blue line? Is NAS still, first of all, we shouldn't be trading that, but let's take a look. We'll go to the 3-minute blue line. Yes, it is. Absolutely. It already did it once. It already ricocheted and did it twice. It's going to do it a third time. Why do I know that? Because SPX hasn't hit its blue line yet. So let it go up and hit its blue line. Now, if you don't want to play these faster time frames, then go down and go to that 7-hour, 12-hour sell stops for SPX and NAS. If you don't want to do those time frames, then go up to the daily, weekly buys. I would never do a sell on any of these indices. I would never do a sell on gold. I would never do a sell on Bitcoin. I would never do a sell on XRP or XLM. I would never, ever do a sell on J&J or Target either. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Let's check gold really quick. I always like gold. Gold is so easy. So I can't believe I closed one of my fucking things. 3-minute buy stop. Where's it going to? Have I called out? Was my system signal service called out every trade correct on gold? Gee whiz. When gold was at 1900, is that a good trade? Closed in profit. Did my signal service call out gold at 1923, $1,923? Closed in profit. Did my system call out 1,000 gold at a buy at $1,994? Great year, by the way. My youngest child was born then. Yes, closed in profit. Did my system signal service call out gold at $2,018? Yes, closed in profit. Did my system call the signal out for gold at $2,300 and make money? Yes, it did. Is there open trades on gold right now? Yes. On January the 8th, 2025, it called it at $2,651. We're up $304 with a $5 drawdown. This trade was called out on October 11th, 2023 at $1,860. It's up $1,096 an ounce with a $1.94 drawdown. Is gold going up $1,096 with a $1.94 drawdown? Is that good, great, or the most outstanding thing you ever heard? Kev, what's the best 30-second 1 minute except for someone new that just day trades? Thanks. What's up, 69Z28? I'll answer your question in 1 second, EAZ28. Is gold called out by my signal service up $1,096 an ounce? First of all, that's psychotically good. And a drawdown of $1.94. Is that the most outstanding fucking gold trade you ever heard of in your life? Yes or no? Here's another one. A $5.90 drawdown with a $304 profit. Are you fucking kidding me? A $10 drawdown with a $461 profit. A $2 drawdown with a $430 profit. A $21 drawdown with a $795 profit. A $113 drawdown with a $219 profit. A $24 drawdown with, and this is way, by the way, all those are inaccurate. These went up way more than that. $168 profit. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So let's add up all the drawdowns. Okay. I'm going to count this as $2, $6, $8, $18, $20, $40, $150, $175 drawdown. You want to know how much profit you would have made? $1,100, $1,300, $1,800, and more, by the way. These are inaccurate. $1,800, $2,200, $3,000, $3,200, $3,400. For a $175 drawdown, you'd have made $3,400 an ounce on gold through my signal service. The most incredible fucking trade you ever heard in your fucking life? Yeah, it really is. Give me a break. Kev, what's the best time? 30 second, 1 minute, etc. for someone new, just day trades. No, first of all, you're going to need to learn. You just need to relearn everything. I understand your question, but you need to learn. That's all I can tell you. Fucking amazing, says baby. So this is every gold trade called out officially by my system. $175 drawdown and over a $3,000 ounce win. I'm pretty sure someone will give their left nut. And if Piggy Piggy was being honest, he'd probably say both nuts. But we definitely get one of the nuts given for this this is signals. This is my signal service for gold. And yet I still have some people dropping the signal service. And what are you talking about? Just trade gold. Oh my God. I'm so confused on people. Matter of fact, anyone that's dropped the signal service is not allowed in it for a year. And wait till you see what's coming to the signal service, but I don't care. Anyone that's dropped out of the signal service, you're banned from a year. You can't re-enter the signal service. I'm too pissed at you. Matter of fact, anyone that stopped the sniper rifles, banned from a year. Anyone that's going to stop the snipers, banned for a year. I'm done with you. If you're ungrateful enough not to have any of these things, I'm not going to let you back in it. Hope I'm clear. The sniper rifle goes crazy, says Kenneth Terry. I know the sniper rifle is incredible. Yeah, you can get it and you can stop it all you want. I don't give a fuck, but there's just a few of you, the vast hundreds and hundreds of you stay in it. But for those of you who are quitting it for no good, fuck you. I have no time for that. The signal service alone would be paid for by gold trades by itself easily. So I hope you don't want to get back in because you're not getting back in the signal service. Yeah. And wait till you see what's coming to the signal service. The people who are in the signal service, when the sniper, by the way, when you're in that, you'll be getting the earliest access to the crypto, by the way, and you'll be getting access to the funded trader. And I'm going to give you access to the robot for testing. You'll be my beta testers. So who's ever in the signal service or in the sniper when the robot comes, and it won't be here. Even the testing won't start for 6 months to a year, but it's coming. When I'm done with that robot, I'll determine who I allow to buy that robot or not. That's all I'm going to tell you. The sniper is epic. Yeah, I agree with you here, Piggy Piggy. Hell yeah. Nope, I remember who takes care of me. Trust me, Bree knows every last fucking one of you. Let me tell you that. I remember the ones that are good to me, and the ones that are good to me, I always take care of. Always. You'll see. You'll see what's coming to the signal room, and you're going to see what happens with that damn robot. That robot is going to be, oh my God. Me and Keith already started to look at it, but it's going to be a while. I have to get things tweaked, and yeah, oh my God, you don't want to know what has to go on with that shit. We have a little blip. All right. What do I want to trade? I don't know. I don't want to do gold right now, though. I didn't even call it, I know. SPX. Let's go down here and see what's happening. I love that we can trade 1 second trades. Sell to the blue line. 1 second. No, I like the 5 second buy. 5 second buy. Oh, they're already up over all those? Hold on. I didn't know they flipped. Shit. When did they flip? Hold on. $30 second, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Buy stop to the 1 minute blue line, but hold on. US, NAS and SPX, but hold on. Let me see this real quick. 5-second buy stop US 30. 5-second buy stop to the 15-second blue line US 30. 5-second buy stop, you're going to see this flip over. You're going to see this flip. And then you'll see this flip. 30-second blue line. Let me see the 1 minute. US 30 buy stop to the 1 minute blue line. But if any of these are going to go down, it's going to be US 30 first. So be careful with US 30. I would stick with NAS on these buys or SPX on the buys. 1 minute. 1 minute buy to the blue line. 1 minute buy to the blue line NAS. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line SPX. Yeah, but I'm not even sure I'm going to trade the open, to be honest with you. We did really good on the PPI news. I don't know if I'm going to do it. Oh, Stephanie, I can't answer that question about brokers. I'm not a financial advisor. But anywho, I'll get to you in a minute. You didn't show the best of the drawdown with the signals we're using US 30. I know, right? Don't even get me started on US 30. But now it's a larger drawdown, Larry. It's 200 and it is 2,180. At the time, it was $16 drawdown with a 1,866 profit. That's insanity. Some of these signals are just out of this world. Insanity. Good. All right. Let me go do my thing. I'll be right back. Give me just 1 second. Any questions, post them, please. If I can't see them, I can't read them. You need to send them by email. It means you're being blocked because you're asking something stupid.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. All right. What to do at open? What to do at open? What to do at open? I don't know. We'll have to get closer to open before I decide what to do at open. NAS and profit. Let's go. Thank you. Nice. Here, Piggy Piggy. Congratulations. Da na 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 na. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No. Anybody have any questions? Any questions at all? All right. Da na 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 na. All right. Can you look at GBP JPY? Yes. Yes. Once you receive training and get your safe trade patch, you are granted access. I must miss some talk here. Hold on. Does Discord access come after system trading? Yes, after your system trading. It says right in the rules once you buy the system. Thank you for answering him here, Piggy Piggy. Can you look at GPP, JPY? Yes. Got the sniper yesterday, going to get the rifle add-on today. Nice, Kirk Brown. Smart decision you're ever going to make right there. GBB, JPY. Sure. Let's look at GBB, JPY. All right. Rwanda's a good little broker. GPB, JPY. Let's see. Has my system? I already know it has, but I like saying this to everybody. Yes. If you consider every trade ever called by my system closed in green profit, yes. GBB, JPY is being able to be traded by my system. If you consider two open trades exactly currently in profit, then yes. I go up here, I look at my sniper rifle, I see a red stands completely out. You see the green, the red and the green? This is how you use a sniper rifle. Look at this. We're going to go over here. We're going to go to the 1 minute and say, hey, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. See? Oh my gosh. And it goes right up to the blue line as I'm talking. All right. So let's see. Let's see what this is really about. 10 minutes. So it's interesting with GBB, JPY. Yeah, it is a 1 minute. So it's to the 1 minute blue line. You should have played the 30-second and so on. If you had the sniper rifle, it would have told you to do the 15-second buy stop too, by the way, and the 30-second buy stop to the blue line. It's going to go back to the 1 minute blue line. So that's what it's going to do short term. Long term, I would only play the buy on GBB, JPY. Oh, there we go. 1 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour. Buy stop, GBB, JPY. This is the one I like. Take profit 1, 192.258. Take profit 2, 192.992. Buy stop, GBB, JPY. Take profit 3, 193.033. Take profit 4 to the 4 hour blue line, 100, well, whatever, doesn't matter. 7 hour, let's see. Yep, let me go to the 12 hour. 12 hour sell stop, GBB, JPY. Take profit 1, 188.658. Take profit 2, 186.530, whatever the hell that is. This is the one I really like, though. This is a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. You're going to make me get this, aren't you? GBB, JPY. It's a really good time. Let me just go ahead and throw that on there. Can I find it? GBB, JPY. Yes, there it is. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, we'll just hold that there for argument's sake. GBB, JPY. I got to remember to go check that, though. Fuck. I probably won't. Let me go back over to NAS. Okay. Yeah, NAS is a definite buy, whatever this is on. All right. Yeah, so I hope that helps you. I'd only look at the buys. I would absolutely be looking at GBB, JPY, daily, weekly buy. It is very strong, Sally. Kirk Brown, got sniper yesterday. I'm going to get, yep, congratulations to you again. Can't wait to get the sniper rifle. Next says, next, Social Security check. I'm still learning, can't wait. Light is blinking. Oh, good. 69 Z28. I hope it's blinking and getting you fired up again. Positive new here. What's up, Positive Relationships? New here. You're working. Thank you, Positive Relationships. I even like your name of your name that you're using here. So it's fantastic. TGT, V short term and long term. Oh, Target. Very short term and long term. I've already gone over Target, but I'll do it again if you're asking. Can you look at the cryptos? I've already done that too, XRP, XLM, but I sure will. Positive relationship. Okay, let's look at Target again. I happen to own some options in Target, so I'm vested in Target. I really want Target to go up over the next several months. Oh, that ain't good right there. All right, has my system called out with the signal service. These demo trades on Target and made money at $200 was the entry on this day and time. Yep, made money. Yep, made money. These are all closed demo trades, all made money. Is there an open trade on Target currently it's in the money? Yes, there is. So my signal service is 100% with Target. I see this little green and a lot of red, but we're counting on this monthly, 3 monthly over here. So I'm going to go up to this monthly. Well, very short term, he asked, sorry. 5-second buy stop Target, take profit $107.86. Is 5 second fast enough for you? 10-second, $108.21 on the 10-second buy, $108.62 on the 15-second buy, 30-second buy, $109.60, 1 minute buy. We're going to skip that. All right, now we're going to go up to where I want to trade. You only should be trading these stocks at this time. Up here, this is a monthly, 3 monthly buy stop. Let me explain that and why this is on Target. Come over to here. We're going to go over to here and we're going to make this our 3 month. We're going to make this the 1 month and we're going to come back over to here. Now look, this is the bullshit detector. When you see this green, okay, and then you see when you see this red and you see this green, then you know you're in what's called a buy stop. Okay. Now this is a monthly, 3 monthly. This is monthly Target on the right. This is 3 month Target on the left. Now, if you use my sniper, which I strongly, hugely recommend you use a sniper, what you're going to see is a whole bunch of smart, intelligent things. You're going to see over here, this orange line is high, this pink line is low, this blue line is low, and there's a buy stop. If you're unfamiliar with the buy stop is, I can show you in 2 seconds, but basically it's just a future pending order. Okay. Now, this is your setup. So now you have the green, the red fitting in here like a puzzle piece into the green. You have your orange line high, pink line low, blue line low, and the buy stop. Target is going to go up long term. It's going to go up for a long time. The last time Target did this was when it was at $57 a share back in 2017. It went up for 4 years. It went up for 4 years the last time it did this. So I'm going to give you your Target take profits, 135.63. You can get in anytime you want. I'm just telling you where the take profits are. Take profit 2 is 154. And this is absolutely gorgeous right here. 180 is the next take profit. I love that take profit on Target. This will be the next take profit on Target, $222. And then if you come over to here, you're going to see a take profit of $270 on take profit. Yes, I know it's going down right now. I'm calling for that. I'm telling you where it is. But I also know for a fact this is going to flip around over the next year, 2, 3 years. You'll be able to play Target as a buy. I need it to flip around. I think I have like 3 months. I need this thing to flip in 3 months because I was just getting started back in my options and I took one that was out of the money instead of break even in the money. Anywho, long story short is, I have like about $900 on that one. I can lose, but it's no big deal. Oh, it's going to flip. Just a matter of the timing is all that's the matter. So anyhow, that's Target. Hope that helps you.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Mm-hmm. Can I look at the Target? Can I look at the cryptos? Yes, absolutely. I'll look at the cryptos for you. Cryptos. Let me look one more time here, though, while I'm at this, just for argument's sake. Oh, NAS is in the money. NAS is in the money on all the buys I told you. NAS is in money on all the buys. SPX is in the money on all the buys. Told you where it's going. Matter of fact, hold on a second. Let's go SPX. Okay. SPX, buy stop to the 3-minute blue line. You're in the money on that multiple times. NAS, you're in the money on that multiple times. I'm not calling out US 30 this morning. Sorry, US 30 just ain't happening. All right. Oh, we have some more people here. All right. Let's say our prayers. Ooh, thank God for that right there. Name Father, Son, Holy Spirit, amen. Father, I pray. I shouldn't talk like that. Father, I pray in Jesus' name that you heal Bree and I and every one of our listeners, both physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, in every way possible. Let us be healed so that we have a healthy, happy relationship with each other and with you. And we love you and thank you for all of our things, good and bad in our lives. Ask your blessings upon each one of our listeners. Please let the listeners have great, great, healthy lives, happy lives. Let all of their loved ones be blessed. Please let each and every one of the people hearing my voice right now have the ability to listen to me and hear what I have to say, open up their hearts and souls, and let them accept the truth about trading so that they can finally become consistently profitable and then do good with the money after they are profitable. And I thank you for these things and beg for these things to happen in Jesus Christ's name. Amen. All right. Done, 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 done. Amazing. All right. MST. No, cryptos. Yes, they're all buys. Bitcoin, buy. Now you can go ahead and look at this, say, well, okay, Bitcoin's going to go down. It is. Bitcoin specifically is going down to here. I've already called it multiple times. And then go back to that blue line. Sell, stop Bitcoin, take profit 1, 80,400, take profit 2, 77,700, take profit 3, 74,500. But I wouldn't play into the sells. It is a daily, weekly buy stop, daily, weekly buy stop. Bitcoin, I've already called this so many times. I'm blue in the face. Take profit 1, I don't know wherever the hell it's at. 80. It's already hit take profit 1. Take profit 2, 85,000, 87,000, 90. I love 95,000. I love 102, 109, 110, 120,000. That's Bitcoin. XRP is going to be the same thing. Sell, stop XRP to the, here we go. Sell, stop XRP to the 3-hour blue line, take profit 1, $2.11. I don't believe I'm not taking any of these sells, by the way. $1.98. Sell stop to $1.60. What I'm looking for is the daily, weekly buy stop XRP. Take profit 1, $2.45. Take profit 2, $2.74. Take profit 3, $3. Take profit 4, $3.50. Take profit 4, $5, $4. XLM. Same thing as every one of these I just said. It's going to be a sell back down to the 7-hour blue line of 0.26 cents. But I'm only looking for buys, daily, weekly buy, daily, weekly buy. Take profit 1, 31 cents. Take profit 2, 34 cents. I love this take profit 3, 36 cents, 44 cents, and 60 cents. And I'm saying it's going to go to 80 cents also, by the way.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. What's up, Poof? I'm a billionaire. Kirk Brown asked for MSTR and ARC. MSTR. MicroStrategy. We've already called this multiple times. Look at that. Yeah, we called this back here. Okay. Anyway, where were we? MicroStrategy. Let's see if my system has called out MicroStrategy correctly, which I'm positive it has, but we'll look anyways just for shits and giggles. Right over here. Yep. All positive closed demo trades, all green. Current trade open, all green. I'm going to look over here. I'm going to see something's going on between the 1 minute and 3 minute. One's red, one's green. Doesn't take Einstein to realize that. 3 minute buy, 3 minute buy, 3 minute buy to the blue line, 3 minute buy to the blue line, 3 minute buy to the blue line, 3 minute buy to the blue line. Let me see the 5 minute, 10 minute. Sell, don't want to play that. Sell, buy. 15-minute buy. Oh, look at that. There's my sniper rifle. Safety trade buy, blue line, green, red, buy, stop to the blue line. Yep, it read it perfectly, huh? I swear to God, Keith is so good. Great job, Keith. 30-minute nothing, 1 minute, 1 hour sell, 2 hour sell, 2 hour sell, 4 hour sell, 7 hour sell, 4 hour sell. Sell stop. Okay. 15-minute buy to the blue line, MSTR. Take profit 1, 270, 277, 281. If you don't want to play that time period, the 15-minute, go over to the 4 hour. Sell stop. Take profit 1, 246, 225. They form an order. You're going to see the buy happen first, then the sell. Then if you don't want to do those, and I wouldn't, let me go up here. Yeah, see, I love this. This is a daily, weekly buy stop. I love this daily, weekly buy stop. Take profit 1, 286. Take profit 2, 300. Take profit 3, 316. Take profit 4, 346. And I love this take profit 5, 377. And then it's going to go all the way up over 500 again. I love this for whatever this one is. Yeah. This is a very good setup. Extremely good setup. MSTR. Okay. Next. TikTok ended. Oh, shit. Oh, inactivity. Let me start it back up. Thanks, Lair. I just didn't get over there and catch it in time. That's my bad. Damn, that sucks. Well, we'll be back on in a second. Thank you. All right. Up at 4:30 a.m. Oh, Oregon. What do you do out in Oregon? Holy shit. All right. ARK. ARKK. Okay. Is that what he wants me to do? ARK Innovation ETF. Okay, sure. ARK. If I can read it, we'll do it. My system read it perfectly. All closed demo trades in the past that were called by the signal service in profit. All current trade, the one current trade's in profit. You can clearly see there's some kind of sell going on here. Let's head over to here and see why and where. What's this daily about? So we're going to go to that 12-hour, to the blue line daily. Damn, weekly. Oh, love the daily weekly. Hold on. Daily weekly buy. Let me make sure though. Yeah, no, 3-month buy. I don't have any knowledge on, there's no reads on the other. 3 months daily. It's going to take some time. It's going to be a slow one. It's going to take forever to do, but yeah, I can see this as a buy. That sure is looking like a fucking sell. Hold on a second. Excuse me. 9 months, monthly, 3 months, weekly. Yeah, I can do that. Buy stop, take profit 1, $51. Take profit 2, $53. Take profit. And I love this take profit, $63. But I'm going to go a little longer and higher for you. Take profit up here, $90, 100, 114. Whoever this is, ARK.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Those are the two for you, Kirk Brown. Can you look at GBBY if you haven't already? I just called GBB JPY. Whoa, is that weird? Yeah, I'm not calling that again. DNM. DMN. Okay, let's look at DMN. Damon Incorporated. Can my system read it? That's not a good sign. No reads. This is a terrible sign. Nothing here. There's not enough history for me to read this. And it looks like cells anyway. It looks like shit. I'm not reading that. Can't read it. Sorry. BKSY. Black Sky Technology. Sounds cool. Can my system read it? Yep, it did. What's up here? I don't see anything. This looks like a really good 12-hour buy stop to the blue line. Yeah. So we're flipping here. You can clearly see this is flipping. Let's go down to that 1 minute and see what's up. Buy stop to the 1 minute blue line. Take profit $9.40. Take profit $10.40. $11.19. 15-minute sell. 15-minute sell to where? The 7-hour? No, to the 12-hour? No, this is a buy. Buy again. Buy stop 12 hours. Take profit $17.44. $20.40. There's better symbols out there, but this is still very good. Daily. I like this daily. I love this daily. $22.21. Buy stop demo only. $26.27. $32. Weekly. 3 weekly. Sell. I see this is careful. This is a 3-week monthly sell stop. I'd be leery. I called it all correct. It will do it, but just be careful with that. Just be very, very careful with that. Okay, thanks. Greatly appreciated. And I understand. What's up, Brian Flores? Good morning, Brian Flores. Oh, let me get back live on TikTok. I thought I was there. So my TikTok, whatever. All right. Yep. Let me go back over to ours now. I have to go look at our symbols. That's enough. I'm not calling anything else out for anybody else. Let's get back over here and do what we got to do. Do what we got to do. But you know what I can do is I can go over to this one right here. And I can look at 2 different ones at once. So we're going to pull up US 30 and we're going to pull up NAS over here. We're going to go over to here and we're going to look at 5-second buy stop. US 30. We're going to come over here to look. And still farting around with that 3 minute, I see. Oh, 3 minute to the blue line touch. It hit, touchdown. NAS 100 hit its 3 minute blue line again, as called out all morning long. SPX, still have time to get into SPX. Both of them are still going to go up. Buy stop. Play any buy stop you can on US 30 NAS and SPX until SPX hits this 3 minute blue line. Or you can wait for that later in the day when there's going to be a sell to the 7 hour, 12 hour blue line of SPX and NAS. Or you could just wait for the long-term buy that's going to happen. That's any of all those. I'll sit right here. I'm looking for a buy right now. And there you go. That's it. Back, says Larry Cooper. Thank you, Larry. No, I really like this buy. Let me see something really quick right here. This is 5,604. $5,604. Let me go over here and see something. Yeah. All right, here we go. We're going to put in some noises for us so we can have fun if and when we get this little flip around. As long as I'm here, it'll do this. I just might not be here when it does this. I'm going to stay just for a few minutes after market open. I got to run for just a second. I'll be right back. All right, let me go over to NAS real quick and see what we can see over there. It's going to be the same, but it's already done it. I'm looking for buys on NAS and SPX at open. We have 8 minutes, though. That could change, but we'll see. I hope everything drops before then. I hope we get a nice drop. Let's put this over here, too, just for argument's sake. All right, now. Buy stop US 35 second. Take profit 1, 41,325. Let's pray this stuff keeps going down the whole time until open. I'd love for it to drop. Okay. This is a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. You'll see price action go up above this. You'll see, hey, why isn't this flipped? I think it's above it already. Oh, 23 seconds. You'll see this red arrow turn to green. Do 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 do. Oh, Steph, I didn't know you were on the live, Steph. Uh-oh. US 30 cross. US 30. Listen to it. Woo! Exactly like I told you it was going to do. I'm trading second US 30. Doom, doom, doo, 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 doo. Take profit was hit. US 30 crossing. Yeah, baby. Woo! I love that sound. It's annoying to some, but I love it. Oh, another one. US 30 crossing again. US 30 crossing again. Look at it in profit, baby. Look at it go. Ding dong, baby. Ding dong, baby, baby. Ding dong, baby, baby. Ding dong. In the money on your NAS. In the money on your SPX. In the money on the NAS. Good morning, Kevin. On the road for work today, streaming YouTube and radio. Hope everyone's ready. Thank you, Adam Knapp. I hope you have safe travels. God bless you, Adam. Good morning, Brian Flores. Good morning, Michelle Glowinski. Look at US 30 go exactly as called out. Yes, I'm two-fisted trading today. like two-fisted drinking, two-fisted trading. So yes, I have 2 charts open. We're trading US 30, making fucking money. Look, SPX in the money. SPX in the money. SPX in the money. NAS in the money. SPX in the money. There's SPX in the money. There's NAS in the money. Even my GBB JBY is in the money. Woohoo! I'm closing down SPX. I'll go take a look at NAS now. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, will you? Woo! We're trading NAS. We're trading SPX. We're trading NAS to the 3-minute. Told you that was going to turn to green, and it did. Now we're going to the blue line on NAS. NAS next take profit will be right here at 19,600. How fun is this? How much fun can one person have making money and trading and helping you all make demo money too? Stephanie Berry, thank you for being on the live. I was just saying I can't wait to get back. Yeah, absolutely. Anyone that has a reason to get back in, absolutely. You come back in, Stephanie. Yep, Hugo's Way, can't say anything. I love Hugo's Way. 3 minutes to market open. Look at our little buy stop again, 5 second. So yeah, anybody that has legitimate reason get back in the signal services. Those are just quitting because they're douches. I'm not dealing with it. Not having them back in. So yeah, anybody that has any reasons though why, temporary setback here, that's fine. We understand. Buy stop, 10 second, US 30 again. Buy stop, NAS to the 3-minute blue line. Let me see if SPX has hit its blue line. That's really what we're trading right here. No. Buy stops again. Stay in any buy stops until here, until SPX hits right here. 5,603. Once that 604, actually, I like that better. But once this goes up to right here, that's when I would get out, or at least let one run, close down my other ones. Here, baby, NAVs and profit. Let's go. Let me replace the ink cartridge in my money printer. Nice here, Piggy. Nice here, Piggy. Congratulations. Nice. Who's this? Bueno Media. What would you say is the best stock to invest in right now with everything going on in the US? That's not how we trade, Bueno Video. I've already called out the stocks. You should go back and rewatch my call outs. J&J is the best. It will be going up for 2 years. Johnson & Johnson. We've already called that from 141 to 170, so you're too late for that. Next up would be somewhere around Target. CVS, I've already called correctly. Target would be a real nice one for you to look into. Oxy is another real good one. These are month-long trades. Those are going to take a long time. I strongly recommend you go over and watch my playlist so you can learn how to trade. Buy stop US 30, 5 second. We'll just sit here and wait if it engages. So we can go ahead. I answer the questions. Hey, Stephanie. All right. 1 minute to market open. Do not play market open. If you're going to play market open, you have to get in and out really, really, really quick. Calling for a buy on NAS and a buy on SPX. US 30, I'm still going to call that 5 second buy. We'll hold and wait on that. Even though it goes down, I don't care. We're going to wait and see what market open does, and then we'll just have fun. Less than a minute to market open. I'm not going to stay on long after market open unless there's some kind of money I need to find. Okay. Here we go. And market open coming up. Market open. US 30 is tanking like a dog. Beautiful. We don't care about that. Let's go over to SPX. SPX tanking like a dog. So there's no call on these. I'm not taking anything. We'll just wait a minute on NAS. Let's go over to NAS real quick. Yeah. NAS. Buy stop NAS. Buy stop NAS. NAS buy stop right here. Hold on. Let me go over to NAS real quick. Let it keep going down. We're in no rush. Follow this down. Follow NAS down. Let it keep going down. I'm going to put in a buy stop right above that. And then we're going to put in Okay, just keep following. That's perfect. There you go. There you go. NAS buy is in the money. NAS buys in the money. NAS buys in the money. You can close that trade down. No need to stay in. You should be demo trading only. You can close that trade down again. Just close it down. See, it's going up. There you go. There's your NAS right there. My GPB, JPY slipped, but I don't care about that. There's your NAS right there. I'm going to go ahead and take my profit out. Boom, done. There it is. All done. I'm done with trading open. Please remember, go over to thesafetytrade.com right here. Buy the system 575. Yay. All right. Talk to you all later. God bless. Everyone have a great day. I'm going to go over from TikTok to YouTube. Bye, TikTokers. God bless. YouTube, do you guys have any questions before I leave? That was a nice open, by the way. I just did that so casually, but it was a very nice open. Okay. Anybody have any questions? All right. God bless you all. Everyone have a great day. I might be on later today. We'll see. Maybe sometime around noon. We'll see. All right. God bless you all. Take care. Talk to you later. Nice. That was a wonderful morning. Wow, that was great.